Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Down it to the flipping world.
Everybody make it get the tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people.
1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3.
Mixup and Blenda, Dancehall.
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf will be done bad mind. It can't stop in a revival time. Everybody shake up your tambourine and praise the Lord. Everybody!
1 3 1 3 1 3.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
Wagwan people, big up on yourself, you know. Wagwan people, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Hey, Raga, me make sure some done do everything and be able to sit and watch me show. Big up yourself, sassy blessings and respect and thing. 23 in the building and thing. CBS and the whole works. When I say SDC people taller, me see you, Tony Fox, large up, Big Beer and the whole crew. Master good as and I don't know. Cookie man, stress and thing. Nikki, where you there? Nikki, where you there? And Tasha, big up yourself, yeah? Alien too cute anyway, to big up yourself, even if you're there bathroom, a pee right here now, large up yourself and whatever. And thing. People, this weather, man. The weather in the New Year, we did have 60s in for a couple of days, whatever. And I know say going home back in the 30s, you know. And it going to stay in the 30s for a few days. Well, 30s and 40s, you know. For a few days. And yeah, it's chilling, man. Snowfall, you know. Not accumulating snow, but snowfall. When I come in, snowfall. It did in the 60s for a couple of days, well, and snowfall out there. Snowfall out there. In truth, though, people, that is not unusual for March, right? You know. In Jamaica, we have a thing where we say, people head go and come. Right? This is a Jamaican thing. Say, it's a Jamaican way of saying, like, there are times when that person look normal, you know. But not make the normal time them fool you, you know. Them at the time when they head gone, you know. Right? And you do have episodic mental illnesses, right? Where people go through episodes, you know. So, man, Jamaicans have a thing where them say you have people who are mad people in a clean clothes. Right? Like Jamaican say, a madman in a clean clothes, that, you know. And what I'm saying, the person may be comporting themselves really well, you know, they might look good or no, whatever, like they have it together and thing, but all is not well upstairs, you know. So March is like that. March is a madman in a clean clothes or a madman in a clean clothes. March, the month of March, go and come when it come to the winter. March 8 go and come when it come to the winter. Yeah. I mean, they have some hot days and next time you have some cold days and thing. Regular thing that reach you with March. Right? March 8 no normal. And that is why I strongly suspect the people in a March. I'm about to say it, right? Yeah, I'm about to say it, right? The people are born in a March, them head no. Yeah, the March people, them head no balance up, you know. It's just yeah. March people, Tass say she's so over it and thing like that. Well, me understand, you know. Yeah. Yeah, March people, them head no too. Them head no too. Watch it. Same thing with the November people, you know. That thing they wear it up and down, yeah. March and November people, them. Yeah. Them head go. Jesus, God, man. TikTok is just so annoying, man. You know, people, there's just so much what TikTok force you to do. And thing is, it just gets to you after a while. It's just like enough already. Yeah. The March people them and the November people them, especially March people them. Angie Melly. Like seriously? Angie Melly. She just celebrated her birthday. She should have. Angie Melly. Right? Angie Melly. That is evidence right there, sir. Evidence right there, sir. March people them thing them. March people them have seesaw brain. Seesaw. Yeah, when I was a child, seesaw did popular, you know. People seesaw still popular with picnic. And them no, and them tablet picnic, I mean, I don't know, you know. People, seesaw still popular with picnic. Eh? Shania chat about March and leave November. March and leave November. I'm gonna see the comments them. Come the Facebook live up, you know. I just want to see what's going on over there, so. Prem Clark, big up yourself, you know. Big up your Facebook people and big up the YouTube people and of course big up the TikTok people and thing and one them. Right? We just see what's going on right now, cause we broadcast all about in idea, you know. Angie B, most parks in Florida have them. Okay. All right. Miss Anna says seesaw. No, them not really do seesaw. I don't know. Seesaw was the thing, right? Boy, big up our game them a little bit, you know, man. At least with it outside, though. Seesaw. What was the most popular outside games them in Jamaica? What were the most popular outside games when we were in Jamaica? Swing song. Right? Yeah, but no one's up here, them just say, swing, let's go in the swing. But when we look a bit, a swing song we call it, don't ask me what it name, a swing song it did name. A swing song it did name. Swing song. BB Trini Nurse, I said, what is that? What the hell is that? Swing song. A swing song we did call swing. Ask anybody in Jamaica, ask anybody who come from Jamaica if I lie, me I tell. You come from Trinidad, you know, you never used to call it that. Swing song, what we used to call it. Ask them, the swing song we did used to see the tall earth say it. Swing song. Yeah, swing song it did. One on a swing song it did name big and serious. So the most popular outside game, the most swing song. Dandy Shandy, Stocky, Hopscotch. Miss Soul Snatcher, I say, I lie. Miss Soul Snatcher, I swear to you, a swing song we did name, man. When we look a bit, you never hear a Jamaican say, so I could go in at the swing. You never hear the swing without the song. Swing song. I go in at swing song. Push me in a swing song. Mommy, me want to go in at the swing song. Me drop out of the swing song. Boy, she go in at the swing song, them never say swing alone. When we look a bit, it was always swing song. All right, I'm going to find out. I'm not going to know my age right now. Let me see. Let me see who not in them 20s, but them not in them 50s like me. Let me see now. Antasha, you used to call it swing song? I only do say swing. I'm going to find out something now. Antasha, what you used to call it? Swing song or swing? Swing or swing song? You just say yes, but I don't know what you say yes to. Swing or swing song? Antasha, swing or swing song? Antasha says swing song, so. What me know is people in them 20s, Anybody here in them 20s who used to call it swing song? Somebody I call it. Hello?
Yeah, me know, but me like them something here, so me a call.
Right.
Yes, we used to call it swing song, and when you're in the swing song and you want somebody to come pump you in the swing song,
yeah.
You go way up in the air and come back round.
Yeah, what you say, what? What you say when you want
the
somebody?
Swing song, man, when you type of an almond tree or any kind of tree, and you sit in it, and you ask somebody to come pump you,
yeah.
and the person stand up in front of you, but them over you, you know. But them face you. So both of you are looking at each other's face.
Oh, you mean
and you sit on the person stand and then pump your man.
No, but both people are swinging in the swing song then, right? That one day you talk.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, me know.
Yes,
yeah,
man,
yeah.
pump the swing song.
And then you have some people good pan the pumping for going and know if you do with
yes,
them body.
Man.
Because nothing in the words like when you use a good pumper and you have a little weak pumper in front of you, you know, you are do all that work. Right? I don't mean...
Yeah, man, you put your foot going and pick up gear and you're boom and you're gone and you seal out the song.
Yeah.
So you're gone, we ever can and try go up front and get them back.
You ever go in a swing song and then, because you know, so when you're in the swing, the rope or the chain will hold you. Well, we never know nothing about chain them time. They did always rope. But the rope will hold you straight. But you ever in a swing song and then when you go up, the rope not straight anymore. You kind of, for a second, you kind of just loose up there, so.
Loose. all the board, all have slide.
Yeah.
The board for each the two sides, all one on each and the board slide with you.
You ever in a swing song and when you go up and you look back, the rope where you type, the something will come across where the rope type and when you look back, it below you.
Mm-hmm.
Those are scary, man.
Listen to me, then I'm trying to swing bus with you.
Yeah, swing bus with you already?
Of course, swing bus with me drop out of that boof.
Alright, well, but you know, so we as boys do when we did want to impress the girl them, and we go up in the swing, and you come out when you're up in the air, and you come down and you jump and you roll, and you stand up like a general, and the girl them go, ah! And then
never experienced that one day.
You never experienced that one day. No, man, that bad man. We used to do that for impress the girl, man. Like when you did that swinging, and then when they go up, you just jump out of that and fly.
Jump out.
Yeah, man. And you fly. And then when you go down, you just jump and roll, and you get up back, and you get up back like He-Man.
All right,
and when
Superman.
you the girl, them go, Jesus Christ, Jesus Kingsley, all right. And they be like, of course, me are this man a gangster.
Okay. Me never the experience that one, but me like when time, you know, swing man and my sister pump me.
Yeah, but most I swing them will go in just one person. Because I know them double pump one day, you know? I know them double pump one day, but swing song. A swing.
Yeah, man, swing song was
Java, tell them say whenever we are referred to it them time that we never ever say just swing. Never.
No, swing song.
It was always swing song.
Everything. We are going out the door in the swing song. I come push me in the swing song. I come pump me in the swing song because push her when them stand up behind you and push you forward.
Right.
But when you pump at the other way, you know.
The other way, right. Well, yeah, it was never.
But it's always the swing song.
Yeah.
You know where the song come from?
Yeah, but I don't know where the song I don't know when it swings, so when it come back, I must say swang at the opposite. I don't know. But it was always swing song.
It was fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
Growing up outside, upscotch, dandy shandy are sightings are.
Yeah, dandy shandy are sighting. I see them thing. When the people from country,
yeah, man, I will call it outings too. I will call it outings. Come go play outings. Outings. Because remember, I said them have to hit you with the ball.
Hold on. I know what I'm going right just so you know. Because in Kingston, it's just dandy shandy. But when you go over St. James and Westmoreland, them never call it dandy shandy, you know. Them just call it sight. So you come from St. Thomas. And una call it out. Una call it out. Jesus Christ. I know, see that now.
We didn't know dandy shandy and sightings too. Any one of them.
But the outings una call it over St. Thomas.
Yeah, man, outings. So because remember, so when time you eat you know, you're out. So in the east are outings. In the west are sightings. And in Kingston, I dandy shandy. Papa Jesus or whatever. Yeah, see your sister Naki there talk about dandy shandy like so she used to play them something there. She did.
No, she didn't. She never used to play them dandy thing. She never know them. She don't know them.
She did.
She don't know them.
And she could have to play upscotch good too.
Whatever. She never know nothing there. Alright, so
upscotch, jacks, marble, gig. Yeah. Likes when the boy them play the gig and catch a gig in the hand miggle.
You know, so for the life of me, I couldn't get to do that. Like if you do that and catch a gig and them something, then I couldn't do it. But I did have gig though, you know. Just make it spin and thing, you understand? And marble, because you did have marble now, you know, and of course you have aesthetics in everything with Jamaica, so you did have
the one that were bevel.
Yeah, the one that were bevel, right? So but the other name for the one that were bevel would say them are preps.
Preps.
Yeah, preps.
Yes.
I did have the big marble. What the big marble name? What the big marble name? Bembe.
You don't know what the big Bembe, yes.
Bembe, man. I want to tell you, man, the big marble was Bembe. And them, they know, the preps, them, you know, when you play, you know, may I tell you, say, you know, you see them because some of them socialize you and them condition you with the whole concept of hierarchy. Not everything is on the same thing, because think about it now, you know, and subliminally it was powerful. I'm going to tell you why here, you know. The marble where we call ugly marble where we put out there to do the work, where you play in the dirt. Right? Well, on. Think about it, you know. Those marbles were darker. Me wrong or me right? Talk to me.
You're right.
Those were the dark marbles and thing, right? The one them what we call preps. When we not play with them, they know them don't do the work. They you know what? Those were brighter in color, though.
Brighter. Them have the orange in it and the green. You look glassy.
So right there, so you have the so-called pretty good-looking one, them lazy, workless, not doing anything and collecting all of the rewards. Where the darker marble them in the dirt. You have to throw them up on them, just before they go and go down near to the circle. And you play them and them a boom and a beat up one another out there in the field. While the preps them sit down inside of your back. Yeah, and not do one fart. Not doing one fart. And I collect all of the rewards and all of the glory where the other darker marble them a do. Man, tell you, know, black people go through it for every level, you know.
Go through it.
Yeah. All right. Tell me something. You used to play that game, and where you bounce elastic off a wall. Talk to me.
Of course. Yes, and we used to have the one you throw a ground too. And when it casts.
What you say? What?
When you throw, remember, so when you play the rubber, you know, it have to, for your winning, you have to throw it over. When you bounce it on the wall, it have to cast over one next one, like intersect.
Yeah.
And that's how you win.
And then you take up everything.
Yeah, take up everything, yes.
Yeah, and then you take up everything. All right, watch it right. I'm going to see how good you is now. You used to get card and play the diamond something there where you do the diamond something and make the diamond, them and make different designs with the diamond. I bet you don't know about that.
No.
Jeez,
no, you bust me head.
No, Jesus.
No, me I'm going to know a tree card and go fishing.
No, well on them, you don't know that one there? No, but that was... It wasn't exclusive to Kingston. It was all over Jamaica.
No, man.
Let me tell you what you do. You get one card, right? And the card go around two of your hand them. And then you do different things, you know, with the card and whatever.
What kind of card? A rubber? A rubber man. No. And you use your finger them?
Yeah, you use your finger them and make diamonds.
Oh, and rubber band we use, man. And you put it like on your big finger and one of the finger, man. And you make one diamond, but in the diamond you have a circle to a triangle.
First of all, I remember see two Jamaican we talk about when at the back. So when I want you talk about no rubber band. What we say? What Jamaican say?
Elastic band.
Talk to me.
Yes, man. Me know that, man.
Yeah. Right?
Yes, man. Elastic band.
So we're going to use elastic band do it?
Yes, man.
But then
elastic band we use. And then you can add pad, you know, and then in the middle get longer, you pull it down. You all make a spider web and then something there.
Yes, and the people them who did bad pan it make all some real intricate design. When them done,
yes,
you that things are crusher a masterpiece. And when they show it to you like, boom, that body, you understand.
Yes.
So what one of they call that?
We don't know why that is name, but we know we used to play elastic band.
Elastic band, all right then. And all right, so which are the outside? All right, you remember
outside, the one with the tire where the boy then put the grease. in the tire with the 2 stick and you run that.
Push and run back Kite there. Yeah, man, that the bag. What? When you get to a whole tire, you drop your grease in it and get 2 stick and you run and push it and thing.
Run down the road with that.
Run down the road with that. Murder she wrote, man. We used to lock the road with them there, you understand? We used to lock it. Big up O'Neil Biggs, big up Bruce, Ronald Carey and the whole crew over the Ragashanti page on Facebook, Audrey Cole, Jerry and Peter and thing and everybody and thing and whatever. Big up all there. Big up all who somebody left for us since the year started and we struggle and all these things. I saw it go. Hold it. All right. You remember this? When them used to marry with the adult, them used to, you see the people, they make me just conscious and make me bend finger up here. So, sure. Anyway, what you know? You see what I want to straight and I want to bend down? You see it, though? You see it, Java? You see it? You see it?
No, I can't see it.
Oh, you can't see it. No, but it's a thing when we look a bit, you know, anyway, you have that, them say, yo, you have double joint.
You have double joint and your hand can go on your back.
Yeah, and that was cool, you know, if you have double joint, you the man or you the woman. But anyway, you remember one time, the older people them used to mad with and put like wet them finger and put piece of paper and say,
and put the paper, fly away, 2 little blackbirds sit on the wall, one name Peter, one name Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul.
Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. And when we see, then switch your finger over here and trick you. And when we see come back, we're like, yo, oh, you do that? Oh, you do that? That thing, them are wicked. 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 Them are wicked and wicked. You used to play a draft?
Yes. Me used to play a draft, but me did like Ludi more.
You did like Ludi more?
I know it's at the back of the Ludi board that draft.
Well, not everybody, but you're right. Yeah, the back of the Ludi. When we grew up, we never know chess. We used to think like, yo, these people who play chess, like uptown people. But you know, it's a chess play, Jamaican get up it, you know, them play chess now, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. Sashi boss out with something, Tita-to. Talk to me.
Yes, no, tic-tac-toe, yes. And that did have snake and leather when one at the front.
Woman, why you do this to me, man? Me tell you what Sassy say, and you got change it to up here something. Eh?
No, Jamaica, we used to play snake and ladder. What do you rag on?
No, I'm not talk about snake and ladder. I'm not reach there. So me tell you what Sassy say, and you change it to up here. What may I refer to?
Oh, the tic-tac-toe.
Yeah.
Tic-tac-toe.
Sassy said tic-tac-toe. You come up here.
Yes, tic-tac-toe all in a row.
Tic-tac-toe. No, we never played a tic-tac-toe. It was tic-tac-toe.
Tic-tac-toe all in a row.
All in a row. Tic-tac-toe all in a row and thing like that.
Yes.
So Sonia come with Jacks. The Jacks was very, very popular in Jamaica. Very popular. The girls then play that, you know. That was the girls then
play with Jacks, man.
So when we
up all 6 one time.
When you did that play Dandy Shandy, you was a good sighter?
Yes, man.
You could have fly on them something there?
Yeah, me could have jump up, man.
And do the splitting of the
remember
ear.
Remember a long time, me tough, you know.
Yeah. Right?
Yes.
Cock up is a 10 tips is a out down.
Yes.
All right then.
And you know what me they like play? The one with the rubber band where you make your arm when you make join the rubber them and you get one string. Yeah. And you're jumping at the middle, you jump on the line, half in, out, over.
Yes. It's
yes.
It's
kind of love that, and you go up on your knee and then you go up on your hip and hand the bottom and hand the arm and then sitting there.
See, they call it Chinese skip. Yes, it's here, man.
Yes,
Chinese
here, man.
Yo,
yes.
No. You see it, you come out with something sample a while ago, you know. Big up yourself for that. Cause that one was a popular game with the girls, them, you know.
Yes.
That one
Chinese skip, yes, man.
Chinese skip. Sonia over Grenada, she wouldn't know that. Cause when you play Chinese skip, Sonia at the back of the church at Grenada do what she did.
At church, she did it, man.
Yeah, she
man.
Did the back of the church. A wall lamp and the, what she call it, the Bougainvillea tree.
The Bougainvillea. One thing we do want outside, it was with a radio man.
If it was with a what?
Radio man.
No, the radio man was later. The radio man was late. All right, which other game? Which other childhood game you remember?
Which other game?
Well on.
All right, we used to play Kite. Remember, we used to take a book leaf then time and make Kite, you know, and we do get the local jelly.
No,
me
not
look
jelly,
off I jelly leaf the strip.
bamboo, we call it bamboo, right? But
I don't know, man, a jelly, we up center as a jelly tree, we get the something off what we push through it to make the like the bone and a bamboo we use. You know, when we use bamboo raga?
Darling, sweetheart. Yes. You in the country call it the jelly tree thing, okay?
No, raga, man, me tell you something.
Hold on.
We used to use bamboo.
We know say you have big bamboo, you know, like what you say Holland bamboo, right? But what I'm telling you, like we in Kingston, where you call it jelly off a coconut tree, it's same and we call that bamboo. So two things we call bamboo at Kingston.
Oh, we call that bamboo.
I'm just telling you what it was. All right, people. The something where we get off a coconut tree in a Kingston. Now it we call bamboo too. Yeah, it we call bamboo too. Yeah, that's right. Come me pick it up, you know. Cause you not confuse them, you know. What you call it? Jelly what?
Exactly.
When you call it jelly what? Jelly what?
Me don't know what they call it, but me know sign of the migra, the piece of like one when the migra, the leaf, and I hit we use when we are use.
So you say the jelly tree sitting right at that you call it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, man, I would just put that in a one page a book and thing with a cheap kite.
Yes.
That I cheap ghetto kite them, right?
Yes, but that may tell you now is when we use newspaper to make kite now, then time we use the bamboo when we use the flower piece. To hold it.
Well, yes, we know about that.
I met the jumbo jet kite there, man.
No, and if you think turn up now, you get a change, you go buy the pretty paper.
Pretty paper.
Yes, man. And then you put on the pretty paper and look at pretty paper them and thing. And who could have chat to you when you kite pretty?
And but that country we used to paint to with something them. We used to paint to with kite them.
You used to what?
Paint it. With art paint.
Well,
you look red and we mix the paint and paint that.
You know you used to paint the kite then?
Yes. When newspaper, yes, man. So to make we kite pretty, we never have no money to buy a pretty paper.
Me never hear about no kite or paint at Jamaica, you know.
Yes, trust me, we paint through one.
Unless a later years in the kite festival, you know, but we never used to paint nothing. You either use a newspaper with the bamboo sitting on it, or you use the pretty paper. If you think cheap and pop down one book leaf with the bamboo thing, you know, cross, come down, cross, come down, and then you send up that and thing. But you see when you build your big kite with your bamboo and you put the belly in it, because the kite have a belly, you know about that, don't you?
Yeah, belly, yes. Me have uncle when me grow with it.
Isn't that something? Because, you know, no people fight against belly and a chat about a flat stomach at we, but this you could not rise in life. You could not rise in life without a belly.
Right.
You have to have belly.
You have to have tail too.
Yeah, no.
Belly and tail.
Yeah, because your kite could have never go up and it not have belly.
Never go up.
But no, but here's the thing now, you couldn't get too much belly, do you know? You have to find the right amount of belly. Yeah, you have to find the right amount of belly because and you not belly, it not go up. It just go. But then if you have two belly, it just you know. So you have to have belly balance. Balance and your kite go up, man, and you see when you remember them days when you all fly some kite and big kite and thing and you see them way up in the air, whatever, y'all can all recognize all certain people kite, you look up and say, I'm
may I tell us one time we paint with kites, so we know we kite because my uncle is artistic, so him used to do them something there.
Yeah, and you say,
man, you see your kite, Raga, you could have seen far and see your kite a sail up in the air, man.
I tell you, the way over so like, and say, you know, the brother named Junior Kite that him over the way over so you know Theme Kite and thing, Theme brand and thing over there, so you could have seen the kite the way and say, John, a Theme Kite that you know. And you know, say them days allow, you see, if your kite goes on whatever, I must you do it, you know. But if you don't do it by itself, you never be like good. You understand what I say?
Go again.
All right. You see, if you fly your kite, and you don't have control over it, because based on how it make, it not steady, and it a go on, your kite never be good. But the kite
because your kite supposed to can stay up in the air, I'll tie that on one tree and it breeze us and bring it to a go on with your kite.
Clutch and them kite they get ratings when kite sit down up there and just stay so.
Yes.
And just stay so like a G. And thing, and you see a kite sit down up there like a boss. And just watch it crowd and you see a kite the body, you see it sit down. But
yes, man, kite are going to be things up there.
Yeah, but if your kite, it be like chumpy kite, for example, like chumpy kite and chumpy kite. Chumpy kite, a guan and liquid kite. Chumpy and liquid them kite, just a guan. You know,
definitely kite not guan with nothing.
Yeah, chumpy and liquid kite, them just and them can't. You see, anyhow, your kite the way up there, and you have to depend. She's a bombat, and I depend whatever, and on a real breeze up there, you know, say your kite tail never good, you think the balance it, no build good and thing and whatever, your foundation not set right at all.
Right, that flop, yeah.
I saw the thing did set them days. Yo, no, them have kite festival at Jamaica, that became a big thing.
Yes, because they have Dancehall kite festival.
Yeah, I'm big up, me did have one brethren, you know, one PNP brethren, we used to have kite festival out of St. Anna, one place near somebody soon tell me and they used to make my horse it.
Content.
But it near money, but it's like you pass money and go around more. Somebody it was a very man, me not talk the Jacksal one. It was a very not the Jacksal one, you know, reach over there say. It's like you go and you reach money, you hold the left and you go down and you pass one place. Every year me used to have it. Big PNP man and him have them big tractor them man. No, when I reach Priory, me attack when you reach, you use so, me forgot what it name, but like you reach Manig and you turn pan the left of Manig, that's like you go down pan the north coast, go over St. James and thing, I don't know that. Clearmont, I think a Clearmont. Yeah man, a Clearmont. One brother, when him used to name Wizzy, I think him name Wizzy or something like so. Yeah. Wizzy, you say one big Clearmont, man, a Clearmont. One big kite festival used to keep over there every year, and he make me host it and thing and whatever, a couple of years well and thing and whatever. Those were, and at this me I realized a kite festival was a thing at Jamaica. But for we, when we grew up, it was like, it did all over the country. All over the country. Picnic just a build kite and you know. You see, when you build your kite and walk with it, go down the road, it's like royalty, you know.
Yes.
Your kite have to cack off from you and you walk, so you know, and if your kite look good and whatever, people have to look for you and give you respect, you know.
True.
People have to look for
you.
Yes,
God, trust me, my uncle did own film craft.
You hold the kite, so you hold the tail, so you know, and it's like a gentle royal procession, you know. Cause you go down to the open land, you know, go, you know what I say? And then you go on there, whatever.
I remember say everybody go down there, so no, go display them kite, you know.
Exactly. And then when you get it up now, is this whole ritual, you know, you remember this Java, you make somebody go down so. Go down further. Go down.
Go down.
And when I want it now, you say, all right. Let it go after one.
Let it go.
2, 3. And then you start dry it up. Quick for the breeze. Catch it. And you dry it up. But you see when you dry it up, you have to dry it up and let it. It's almost like you're fishing, you know. You have to dry it up and let it go.
Yes, dry it up and let it and dry it out and let it go.
Again. Dry it up again and let it go again. Enough boy don't even know if to do that, you know. Enough boy don't even know if to do that and think. Probably Al Craigton never know if to do them sitting there. Yes, what I
No, son. You never know if to do that.
Yeah. Those were the days, man.
The only thing Craigton used to do, I used to make the paper boat there when rain fall at school. And you know, the little gutter at school. You make a paper boat.
You know, say you're going good now. You're going good now, you know. No, sir, them
man.
You remember them little paper boat there? As rain fall, we make them. I will put them in the water, the gutter, and stay.
Now the water and gone.
Yo, them time then. No, sir, no. You're going good, you know. You're deep up in the crate.
Man, when I used to make a plane too, remember so we used to make plane too, you know, we look a paper plane too and seal it, you know.
Out a book leaf and seal that and thing and get in a trouble in a class and all them something. More time you write all your girlfriend name on it and thing. Shanna K, I love you. Soup.
You know, remember I talk about the paper something a long time, little pitney outside of the Raga, long time. When you're a little pitney, you know, we used to draw on a man and one woman, and we book leaf, and tear it, and roll it up on the pencil, and let it go. The man and the woman are start out.
Man and the woman that do them things and whatever, and just kind of roll it up and give all some money. Yo, you know, say there was a thing in our school with Uno girls. It was the girls. Tell me something now. Let me see if Uno over St. Thomas did a juggle the thing. When you did a go school, The girls them did have a songbook with all of the song them write out.
Of course.
Oh,
of course.
Jesus.
Of course, we have a songbook. Every song we boss.
Every song we boss, you know.
Every song we boss, we know that from top to bottom and that right out now songbook. That's and I sing that at daytime.
And I sing it in a daytime. It was a thing all across Jamaica. The girls them did have a little songbook with this. And you know what I notice, you know? The song, when I write the song, them, you know, the writing, they're prettier than a regular writing, you know.
Of course. Listen to me.
Prettier than a regular writing. Prettier than I want a songbook, you know, they just treasure, I want to look at songbook, them, I want to know the something, them, and thing, and sing the something, them, and be a thing, you know. That was fun. And
remember, so not only do we have a songbook, but I will love verse them. Hey, you boy of my complexion, are you going in my direction to give me an injection in my middle section?
Yo. No. Big up that one day. Big up that one day. No, that did not. No, Java, you're gone in a creator now. You're gone in a creator now.
I'm telling you, Africa Raga, I love them.
No, you're gone in a creator right now. No, oh, you're going to dig up that one there. You're going to dig up that one. Run it again. Oh, you say, hey, you.
Yes. Hey, you boy of my complexion, are you going in my direction to give me an injection in my middle section?
No. Oh, you remember that? That? That was the thing. Yo, somebody say, I killed them off over. Sherry say, she's killing me. You know? No, yo, that was sample, you know. That was sample.
What?
But you know, so
we book them, we love verse them. Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, but not as sweet as you do. And then sit down with mama and we go to school to go take book.
No, but you know,
boyfriend.
You see, true, me was always big nose ragga. Me never get them thing from the girls them doing, you know, them never see me. You know? Yeah, me never really get that. Can remember you did have one youth named Brian. God bless him soul. Him go take him on a life. Yeah, but Brian did good looking and could have run fast and brown with what them call pretty hair. Brian get them something there, you know. And me never get it, you know. No, me never get them sitting there. They never look for me with them thing there right there. Cause they never like my nose.
But look at you now.
Look at me now.
Are you a winner?
No, well, you know, we're all right.
Then Raga, then none of the girl, they never do it where they like you and write your name. And for their name, and like that, that's a Kingsley, Stewart, Love, Joy Brown, and the Love, and then look how much L in the tone name, how much O. And then they add it up and then something get the percentage at the bottom.
Say that again. When I say that one, I want to go.
All right. Like I say, Raga Stewart, Love, Joy Brown.
Yeah.
And then they look how much L in the tone name and then write it, how much O, how much V, until it reaches the S. And then you add it come down and when you get the last 2 digits at that amount of percentage, the love there.
You know, so remember something like that. But me I tell you, me never get them something there. They never like me. I mean, he was a fierce boy. You want a fierce boy. Yeah. No, but you know,
all right.
Well, you know,
me but no never on a bush.
Hold on, one go. No, you are the
all right. When you used to have this that bush here. I don't remember what name, man, but I love grass. And you throw it, you pick it, and you call one boy name and one girl name, and you throw it, and then you go back all 2 days, go look if it has spread or if it dead. Because if it dead, you know the boy and I love you, you know?
No, if it dead, she not love you. Well, I never.
She not love you.
I never. Why me I remember like one yellow something, one yellow orange.
Yes, something. It was yellow. Yes, yellow orange.
One yellow orange something. Don't. Yeah, yes. With that, don't. So
and it's sticky.
You never did for spit pan it or something. No.
I don't know, but no, man, the spit pan when you go to school late and if you will get beaten. You spit pan if you see if you will get beaten.
If your mother
spit pan a different something.
So what?
Spit pan a different something.
Remember the one that do if you go back and look if it grew and if it grew, she
love man. You. If it grew, the love really not the boy I love you, but if it dead, no love, no dead there, you better move on.
Keep it moving and think the love dead now. No. Remember, hey, man, I tell you, you're going at the creator now. No, sir. You don't forget that one there. John.
Yep.
No.
One more.
Yeah.
Who remember when we used to punch balloon?
What do you mean?
When Christmas time I come and shopkeeper, they have the balloon, man.
What you mean punch it?
You know, go pick your man and you punch because remember you have to pick off of the something, the card with the number, them, you know.
Yeah, that me I talk about when them have the big something and them always one big one pan it and thing. And
number 31. Number 31 was the big balloon. Everybody want that.
It was always number 31.
Always number 31 and the big balloon where you can blow.
Number 31 was always a big one.
Number 31 was the big one where everybody wants. You have pumpkin balloon. Number 144 was the littlest balloon and nobody no want.
What? So you remember that? No, remember, and we used to pay and then you punch something and then which number you get on the balloon that you take off.
You give the shopkeeper and then pick off a balloon, give off and do that with the card.
Tell me something. No, some generalship did I go on this because why the people why them never get the big balloon them early? You ever see anybody get the big balloon early?
Never. Me say number 144 when nobody know want that first come off.
No, man, if you say some generalship did I go on this, you know, like the big balloon was what
the
them
little balloon.
The big balloon dry you in, you know, and then when you buy and sit them and whatever, you know, the car. You can't sometimes.
Nobody now win it.
You see all 4 left and the big balloon they see them way.
Still did it.
Yeah. And think, no, some generalship did I go on with them. So they used to bust weird with that, you know.
But me like the pumpkin balloon. The pumpkin balloon shape good.
What was the pumpkin balloon?
The pumpkin balloon it have like line in it. And it's round, the middle part round, the top part long and the middle round and a little bottom. Little thin part.
No, police.
But when you blow it, it look just like pumpkin.
No, police and no Java, you bring me way back. Way back. No. Something I tell you, say, me wasn't no looks boy if a girl, man. But you know how means to get girl. Me used to make them laugh. From a little bit, me a comic, you know. Me used to make them laugh. And then like me come and make them laugh. But you know how me get at a girl too? Kingsley's having a party. Peeny pan you. And this is the way he whiny. Whiny pan. Whiny pan. Bombard at them time. Let me get my girlfriend. Them me fi tell you when the game them a play and all they sitting there and the wind up start and all them thing there and whatever. Yeah. Yeah, me was a fierce boy like Chumpy, you know, with bow leg and thing and whatever, and I need them did not.
Guess what?
And thing and
you didn't have your talent. Innate. So you just use your talent for your band with.
I'm never tell you, anytime festival come, and me always get picked. Me was Paul Bogle, don't play with me. Me was Paul Bogle,
All right, Paul Bogle.
Hold on. Ballad of 65 by
65 by Alma Norman.
The road was rocky and the hills were steep. The maca scratches and the gullies deep. The town is far, news travels slow, but the mountain men have far to go. Bogle to hey, and I mean get the Bogle line, you know, because when them attack, I mean step out.
All right, Bogle, take up your cutlass.
Hold on, when step out, you can walk like a mule, but the crop still bad. And Miss Alice said, Kingsley, I'm so proud of you. You did that so well. Yeah. I saw me have to get my little girlfriend them, you know, for kind of. You have to work with your strength. Don't, you know what the thing saying in Bible? Don't bury your talent. I don't watch somebody else and bad mind them. Right? So me never buy with no cute looks and things. So me have to build my thing differently. That me I tell you, don't work with your strength, people. Don't watch somebody else thing and I spend too much the time. Yeah, watch somebody else thing and I spend too much time. I covet them thing and whatever. You could have build your own thing.
What are your own?
I watch you know from them days you know me I build my other thing. I watch you me upon this thing right now and whatever. I'm still a perform though with my big nose and my big head same way. What yo?
Man, William did nice.
We can't bother. Hey, but yeah, when we didn't no me not lie, you know. Me I tell you, say them, that's why me I tell the people, you know, them say poverty is a mindset, you know.
Mindset, Raga, because with the little apple, we never know so we poor.
We never know we're poor.
We never know we're poor when school over evening time and everybody panel and meet up and we start play who is coming next Punchinella little fella.
No. Me could sing that. What can you do, Punchinella little fella? What
can you do, Punchinella little fella?
Who can do it too, Punchinella little fella?
No, this will I do, Punchinella little fella.
We can do it, Punchinella. And then you go, who's coming next, Punchinella little fella? Who bombard?
My favorite ringing, can I ask if me now wine?
Yeah, man, them days you broke out down.
Long time me wine, every time what me can do, I say me some whining.
Nah, man, me I tell you, say them days, and then the girls, them now, only did have one something one. Only have a whole heap of game, a different game, you know, but them places like, my girlfriend name is Tada.
Yes, my boyfriend who's a sailor, who comes from Venezuela, with a pretty little nose and tell me so, and this is what he told me. I LOVE love you, IWANT want you, IKISS kiss you, in a PARK park.
Pull up!
Yep.
And then no.
Them people don't have no phone again, man.
No, man. You see, that's something they want to use to do. Yo, when you talk about something where prepare your mind for like some, you know, like your mind for be, them have these activities when them do here in order to, what they would say is foster and establish cognitive flexibility.
Mm-hmm.
So them have them play these games. But you know, say them game there where Uno, for example, the girl them used to play.
Yeah.
You know, say that was a very complex thing.
Long time we have exactly.
No, you know, say it was very, very complex and complicated.
Of course.
Something what my son do, you know, like, it required,
yeah,
like,
because,
it required. No, and it wasn't easy, you know. It wasn't easy.
Because never easy for true. Caragali one about I don't want to go to Mexico no more. There's a big fat policeman at the door. If I hold him by his collar, Lord, him would have you have to move your hand and read him, you know, you have to concentrate and you go up a top and go up a bottom and go up a bottom, you know.
No, and the way you're not doing it, you have something.
And you have to like slap your hand all 4 times straight and then you know you have to dip on the rhythm. And you have to concentrate.
No, man, who did bad panic, man. The girls them did bad panic, man. Me I tell you, man. And no, was it easy? It wasn't easy.
Yep.
It wasn't easy.
Long time we that developed cognitively. Yep. But we just never know the word feet and so, and teacher never used to like tell us that.
No, that's why them say personalities are built when you're a child during play.
True.
Yeah, them say all organisms, you see the lion, them the little one, them I learn, and I learn right, you know, for go survive later on, I think or whatever, you know, but I saw it go. And that's why even now, like Jamaicans are admired for their so-called, I talk to people and I say, no man, there's just something about Jamaicans and thing in terms of sexuality, you know, them just say Jamaicans have a sexual energy. But if you really look on the games that we used to play, you know, even our folk songs, them, you know, you ever listen to the Jamaican, we name the folk singers them and listen to the song them, most of them sexual, you know. Most of them sexual, you know. Yeah, a long time it in our thing, man, in our culture and all, and sitting there, man, and whatever, you know. We have that something there long time, man. If I make Olive, you know, make our soul rest in peace, but Olive Lewin was an expert on that, and she used to explain them something at the time. Even Mama Lou, Miss Lou.
Yeah.
Used to tell me there's something of them right, they say, you know, but when we look a bit, man, like, man, I tell you, we never know we're poor. When we left school and I kin pupa licking at people them son and then sitting there whatever and I run up and down and I play, we look at games them and thing and I sit now. We never know we're poor. We didn't never know we're poor.
Happy we happy.
State of mind.
Poor.
State of mind. State of mind. It's a state of mind. Poverty is a state of mind. Poverty is a state of mind. No, but Java,
I agree. Yeah.
Java, you dip up in a crate today, you know.
No,
man, you're going to them, man.
Miss I'm in Africa and me hear you start and I say yes. Love my culture.
Java, tell them when we are play 1, 2, 3 red light. Simon says. You remember Simon
says stop.
Yeah,
Yes.
Simon says.
Yeah, let me say you feel long time you have to concentrate because when Simon says stop, Simon say go.
Yeah.
Stop.
And when they start doing fast or whatever, you can't even go jump and say, no, you move. Come on.
No, you move, you're out.
You move. But me never start. No, you move. We see you shake.
You move, man, because you fumble.
Come on, yeah. You wobble a while ago. We see you. Come on.
Yes.
1, 2, 3 red light. Bomba. Those were the days.
Quick, yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
Zim, 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 and Staggerly. You have to remember who did how to.
Yeah. Zim, 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 Staggerly.
Staggerly.
Who stole the cookie from the cookie jar? Is it me? Is it you? Something like that. Yes, me. Couldn't it be? Then who? Sharon stole the cookie from the cookie jar. Them days there. Listen to me, man.
Yeah, number in a raga. If you ever say number 11, what you're out right away.
All of them style. Wait, name the J for London Bridge is falling down.
Falling down.
No, that nursery rhyme. A nursery rhyme, really. We talk about the game, them. Somebody put something on me say a while ago, man. Wait there. Wait there.
No, you know, the London Bridge used to play it as a game too.
It was a game too?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Oh, that they play.
London Bridge wall on and you go in a circle. And I remember said, fair lady. It was a ring game.
Oh, I remember. Like
and bread in the oven baking.
Bread in the oven baking. Oh, that one that used to go again? Yeah.
Bread in the oven baking. Bread in the oven baking till the morning. And you see me look at sister color, you do one action like you just hug her and you hug up and then shoot somebody else.
Listen to me. Them time that your khaki pants wet up. No, somebody put baseball. That did popular, you know.
Yeah, man. Baseball, yeah, man. You run up on the base, them and something.
And then your bats, because you see them play baseball up here. That was our version of baseball, you know.
Yes.
And then the same thing, you know. Them stuff the juice box or the creamer box or the milk box or whatever. And then them throw it and then you bat it and then you run up on the base. And somebody have to catch it and clot you. Somebody have to catch it and clot you before you reach your base, you know.
Hey, Raga, there's some people, you know, me say, them they call it long batter, you know, when they that last organ for you run all in 3 days and reach back instead before them find that ball, you know.
Reach back a woman thing. When you see them go so bop and back, so way over so. Proper home run.
Way over so.
Proper home run. And send that way. Make you have to run up and down that time you run the whole base and I come round, you understand? Well, on, somebody, somebody post something, but that wasn't a game. No, man. Now I say, hey, diggle, the cat on the figure, the cow jump.
No, that's a nursery rhyme.
Yeah, that was a nursery rhyme. That's not a game. Carol, that wasn't a game. That was a nursery rhyme.
That's a nursery rhyme.
That wasn't a game. That wasn't a game. Yeah. Hey, diggle, the cat on the figure, the cow jump over the moon. The little dog, you see such funny, and the dish run away with the spoon. Yo, how would the dish and the spoon did, you know?
A lot of people are mad, Taylor.
No, I wouldn't know. Like something did I go on this, so you know. You know, she said the dish take away spoon from the knife and fork and whatever.
All of that.
Yeah.
Talk about Jack and Jill who went up the hill.
No, and when we get older, we realize what going on this, so down.
When Jack and Jill go up the hill.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jill came down.
Jack fell down and broke his crown and Jill came tumbling after.
Well, and Jack fell down and broke his crown.
Yes. And
right.
Jill came tumbling after.
All right, well, and make a match out this. What the crown there?
Upon the head.
No, he's upon the head or in his mouth, right? So if him broke in crown, I went broke. Head, right?
A good eye teeth.
A good eye teeth, all right. So if Jack fell down and broke him crown, what that have to do with the next line? Jill came tumbling down. Why Jill have to tumble down?
All right.
Something in or something there. So Jack did I use his head to something I make Jill tumble come down.
Jill never hold on tight.
Yeah,
Jill
man, Jill never hold on tight. No, something did I go on with Jack head right there, so. Yeah, something did I go on. Jack did I go on with something there that make Jill come tumble down. Jack never did a balance right and Jack and button head and then Jill come down and then Jill did under treatment and thing and then roll come right down the hill. Roll right come down the hill and thing. The two of them did I go on with some little sitting up there. So damn gin all them. Then did I go on with something in there. Anyway, Java, big up yourself, you know. I mean, I tell them,
Big up, Raga, big up.
Yeah, man, you're going and create to them, man. You're going and create to them, member something them, you know, and thing and so hold on, you know. Wait, before you go. Like me always tell people, me see one ad one time. Them I say, when picnic back in the day, they little a problem for getting them to come back in the house. And them I say, nowadays picnic them a problem for get them out of the house. So you think, say, what you think? Is like me always say, people love to think zero sum is either something is all bad or something is all good. And very often I say, it's not that it's all bad, you know, you have to determine to what degree is there more good than bad or more bad than good. Because me not gonna knock it and say this tablet generation, this internet generation, that it's all bad. Them pick me and I'm just really impressed.
Them smarter than when we did that for them years.
No, and that smart is relative too, and I'm getting to that. Because I would say smarter in the sense they know more about stuff than we know when we were their age, because of the access they have to this voluminous amount of information. We didn't have that. But we have to be careful with the smarter, because them nowadays pick near them smart for work out, maths out something or for reason out some informational thing. But them not too smart outside.
They're not street smart.
They're not street smart, or field smart, or bush smart, or outside smart like we. You understand? And then the other thing is, them pick near softer than we, you know.
Oh, yes, definitely. Raga, remember, so them picnic get life easier, you know?
Yeah, no, them picnic, because, you know, when you go park and some things that we used to do, you know, with some, you know, and
we never scared, nothing gonna happen to we.
Yeah, them picnic, them softer than we did tougher. Yo, when we did tough, hey, we did gangster, never know say we gangster, you know?
Exactly.
Yeah, man.
Exactly. We never even know we want a danger.
We never know we want a danger and all them something there, but that, you know, so 6 of one half dozen of the other, you know, it's like
Raga, too. Part of the reason, and never like with the well one out the door too all the time. Now, I say when time mother cleaning up, you can't go your step or walk up on them outside of the deep floor, them just polish nice and shred and shine, you know.
Well,
so you have to stay out the door until evening come.
Yeah, you have to stay out the door, yeah.
So you can't mess up the house.
You can't come dirty up your little house and all and sitting there.
Remember, when them time the place never carpet off, remember?
Carpet, what? We know about carpet.
Floor.
How uptown people know about
exactly,
carpet?
So that means so they never want to mess up the place so them polish and shine. So we just have to just go and bounce it out the door until night come.
You see it.
You're going in.
No, but even like, you know, even like Duppy story and them something there.
Nancy story when the rain a fall. And them a tell Nancy story and Tukuman.
Yeah, our thing did different, you know. Them not really know them something there. Our thing did, you know what? You know, so know that
and to Raga, the curriculum changed too, so only for something what we used to learn, it come out of the curriculum.
And them don't teach culture in school, which is sad.
They don't, exactly. Them people don't know about no folk song and something there.
Them not really, it's not a priority.
They don't know how them community get it. Name or none of them something there.
Yeah. You see, now that me talk to you, I know somebody must have some book with a Nancy story out there and them something that so I can share them with my kids. Them and
we don't know what them are going to find in the river because I am big, I am little. Them book they start make a long time. And Nancy, I put the porridge out in the sun and the little girl who couldn't smile and Zachariah dead and them something there.
On the backside, you remember? Zachariah, you remember that? Eh?
Oh, you know, remember so Zachariah said the dumping is talking at Zachariah.
Yeah.
Everybody must remember that blue book there with them story there.
No, man,
and Nancy and the porridge. The cattleman and the spinning wheel.
The cattleman and the spinning wheel, yes. And Nancy had the porridge when they might eat the porridge from at the end. And Brother Tiger eating and Miggle and Bonner and couldn't eat none. And Nancy just like eating and Miggle, go on. And then go on and eat no fight and thing, you know. But me know about that, the West African trickster spider, we got that from our ancestors and things like that. In fact, I'm actually writing something on that right now as a metaphor, you know. But you know which thing did popular with me when we in our school. The dog and the bone with the reflection in our room.
The reflection.
Yo, every picnic they know that story there. The dog, the greedy dog with the bone, and he run go take away in reflection bone in there and lose the bone in the water.
Losing
like
bone, kind greedy.
Too greedy, satisfied. Keep your bone, stay in your bone lane. Stay in your bone lane and leave the other person make them survive with for them bone and thing and whatever and then go lose for him bone just like that.
Yeah, man, want to lose all.
Want to lose all and go give him bone like a damn fool. No? Yeah.
Yep.
My sister, big up yourself, you know. Love and blessings.
All right, my brother.
All right, man. And thing, man.
All
cool.
right.
Java,
yeah, man.
One Java that, you know, people. ANC, you know, she represent for the ANC good. Right there, a while ago, we have to give thanks for her, you know. When she do something like them, it make up for the other times when the ANC them flop. Like when Munchie said she make porridge and it look like steel piss. It look like yellow. It look like, you know, yellow Jonjo water. When Munchie said she make porridge, you know. Munchie from the ANC said she make porridge and it look like, I don't know, say Jonjo is dark green. Jonjo is dark green, but when Munchie make porridge, it kind of porridge for yellow, call me porridge and whatever. So when Java come represent them way right now, she, you know, she build up about the ANC thing. So when I say enough respect to the ANC, Christina Raga is such a hater. Antasha Raga move and thing and whatever. I love how them united. They see them around to defend them and they can't sweet me. Anyway, we there have nice time, you know, people. Ring ding. We there have nice time. What you ride? Ragashanti live. We're there on TikTok today. We're there on YouTube today. We're there on Facebook today on the Ragashanti page. Good afternoon, good evening. How are you?
Good evening, Raga. How are you? Fine.
What, you know what, I'm good right now. My thing balance up and bless and thing, you know. Look at challenges there, all kind of stress there, but the good exceed the challenges. So we have to be thankful about that, don't we?
Seriously, yeah. But me just did that because I remember one poem when we used to learn at primary school, right?
Yeah.
Being in my 40s, so
yeah.
It used to say, me don't hear nobody talk about poem no more. My kids, them, you know, them 20s, them don't talk about poem. But remember this poem, I should start talking about stuff. It said Manners. Manners by Elena Ferjan. It's rude to cough or sneeze and not say, excuse me, please. And mommy said it makes for a while to see a badly brought up child. Mustn't push when in a crowd. You mustn't talk out very loud. You mustn't lean against the rail. You mustn't bite your fingernail. And if they question you a lot, it's very rude to answer back. And children, this is quite strange. Must all be seen and never heard. It surely can't be right, because you must speak to be polite. Every little concert or everything was still keep. They always want to set up poem. I'm going to do a poem. You know, there's something no more for kids.
And you rinse at home. Yeah, man, that was a staple, man. Staple.
That every day at school, we'd have to say that. I'm a primary school, we'd have to say that all the morning time before, in a deportation.
Yeah.
So every time you lean up on the rail, you remember the poem saying, lean up on the rail.
Me know. And we had two national grace, you know, what we say for when we are eating food.
Yes.
You know, two national grace. The first one, God is good.
God is great.
Let us thank him for our food. Amen. And what's the next one? You remember the next one? No, I bet I'll tell you the first line. You remember it? Watch out now.
Let me see.
Never say the first line. For health and strength
and daily food.
We praise thy name, oh Lord. Amen. Bomba! Yeah.
Yes,
yeah, man, the whole we didn't know that one there.
But them two there. Oh, that stick with we know.
Yeah.
My kids, them grow up in America, them don't know nothing about those things.
Yeah.
And then you talk to them don't want to hear where you are for your little thing where you learn at school, them don't want to hear it.
Man. Your mommy come here with that old stuff, man.
Computer, them want them a computer geniuses. They sit around the computer Even if y'all go eat and you say, come, let's go eat. No, you could just bring me back a plate.
You them out there that self and thing and whatever. Me
I'm
feel
just
bad up my
going to
one.
bring back no plate.
I ain't know what me know. When me bad up my little one, leave the phone. Leave the phone. Come, whatever. He said, "By we reach over the park. What's wrong? Nothing. When are we going back?"
Yeah, as them come out, so them want to go back inside.
When are we going back? We're going to play them game and all that thing. Them, I feel rough them up, man.
But you know what, Raga? I'm going to tell you. It's two things. It's good or bad. I'm raising boys, right? They grow up now. They're 21 and 20. But
right.
I've never had to go to school for problems. They're very smart. They're going to college. They're doing everything that is right. They're not on the street. They're not thugs. They don't smoke. They don't drink. I mean, their only problem is laziness and computer. Laziness, computer game, and that's all them do.
Oh, but you're not giving them chores. I'm putting on your foot.
No. We have chores. We have chores like this day, you do that day, you do that. But them not gonna. Them never want to see the sunshine.
Yeah. That
Outside is too hot. You them say the humidity is too hot for them, and
they're BSing. They're BSing. No follow them here. Them a find them find all kind of excuse. Them BS and thing and whatever.
Come outside the world.
You know how much time me saw and them this and that, and then when me carry them out now, I ain't not too me not too mad at me, so me not too right it and whatever. But once me get them and get them wired, after a while, I'm like, Daddy, it's cool that we came out. We're having fun. And when in my mind, I say, but I didn't want to come do and this and that, so. But sometimes it take too much effort, man, and thing and whatever. You're like, yo, me did love for go outside. We did want for go outside. A problem for your mother get for coming. You ever say for coming 6 o'clock evening time.
I used to love go outside. I used to love play Dolly House, I used to love play Dolly House. Them time me and the mother, I send them pick them go to school.
Those were the days.
I send them go to school. I'm going to shop. Yo, those were the days for real, for real.
Every generation.
Them kids ain't know nothing about that.
Yeah, and them. But that, when we get older and I must admit, part of it has to do with the bias of my first professional discipline, which is anthropology, which is the study of culture. But it was then that I appreciate that there were all these cultural things that we did that I was proud of, but culture was not taught in school. And part of that is from being in a post-colonial society, that it was just never a priority to teach who we are. Right? So when we come to America now and see other culture so strong and the picnic them confident and them grow confident and think them own the world because culture was taught to them and them love them culture and it's a part of them. But we weren't taught that to be proud of our culture, in our school. It wasn't institutionalized and thing. It wasn't a part of the curriculum. It wasn't a priority there and things. So we just pick it up.
So we never do social studies. We do short. Oh, that's not really culture.
That's not culture. And the social studies, sadly, it was grounded in a European ethos,
Right, true.
Yeah, it was grounded in a European ethos. And because when me I go to school, I would do history, me know everything about the royal family,
At Jamaica?
Yeah, when we do history in our school, with them
but they never teach you about our one.
But they never teach you our history. And if we did learn our history from a positive thing, would I feel better about with history and by extension ourselves? And when you feel better about yourself and whatever, you accomplish more, in terms of your approach and your ambitions, where you choose to work towards and how you work and how you work when you're working towards a goal and whatever. And that was some of them other people have over we. It wasn't taught to us. It wasn't a priority to us, No, but even so, even so them try, them never teach you financial literacy. We never learned that, right? But them teach we were learning stuff that they told us was value. No, where are you? 6.5 dozen of the other, right? So on one side, we were learning stuff that was conditioning us into servitude. With all due respect, this is my opinion. For example, in our time, we had to do something in home economics.
Me did do that, yeah.
You remember home economics?
The domestic help.
Yeah, it was this domestic thing and whatever this and that. Fine. Me I learn home economics from yard already. My mother teach me, I say, I need to learn how to cook and season food, even though I wasn't a good student there and whatever. Yeah. But on another side though, I must admit, when me come America, you know, and just come America and see what them picnic and doing some work. At that time, he realized that enough of what we did I learn, you know, far superior to what them do, yeah, you know. Yeah. Yeah, like, you know, you know, and me wasn't that bright. Me wasn't bright. Me, you know, by Jamaican standard, made it okay. Well, supposedly, but you did have people were way brighter than me and whatever. But when me come here, even in my little above average there, me realize the education when me did get at Jamaica in a certain area and thing did far superior to what them have up here.
Yeah, because we get harder curriculum than them.
Yeah.
Them do match. Them do curriculum when match them level, match the kids them level. So if you're at that level, them are gonna do the curriculum and match your level. So you know, like my kids them did in a magnet program.
Yeah.
Which them was super above, maybe 3 grade above. Even though they're born here, they was very small.
Yeah.
And then I was in private school with them, so they got extra learning because it was like a Jamaican, you know, the Christianity type charity school.
Right.
So they get extra, but in order for them to be acknowledged, we'd have to put them in a public. But when them going at the public, no, oh my God, they were way above.
Way up.
They had to skip like three grades. So that was not bad.
You see it. Well, but I could give thanks to you in a perfect, but at least we're there.
I used to complain about how I grew up, but some parts, I'm happy that the school system, you know, better.
Well, when me come here, me did do some little exam and thing or whatever. And when me come out of the exam, then I'm like, Giano, you know, that kick my butt. You know what I mean? In my mind, that rough me up. To somebody come, you did so well, we're offering you a scholarship. Mr. Offer me scholarship for what? And I say, no, you were really, you know, what have you been learning at Jamaica? And I'm like, you know?
Yeah.
So you have to give thanks to that too, you know?
So we're grateful.
Yeah, you have to give thanks to that. But big up yourself for that poem there, you know? You're going good.
Yeah, man, we really need for print it out and put it on.
Yeah, man, write it up and send it out on them, man. Because when you say it, you know, the chat get busy, you know, people are like, oh my God, remember that.
Remember that point too, yeah.
All right, man.
All right, Rafa, big up yourself.
Yeah, man, protection, man. Cool. Yes, so we they attack and the topic just evolve, but you don't know, so I saw what things set more time, you know, the topic them just come out and thing and, you know, anger them and whatever, we just go and juggle with it and work with it, you see, and thing, you know. Still a drink out of the container here where the ANC them give me.
Hey, Raga.
Wagwan!
It's nice seeing you. First time I'm catching you here.
I lie.
Yes, me so happy.
All right, big up yourself, man. Straight blessings and, you know, straight blessings and honor, man.
I go unfollow one somebody you and keep you in our list.
What you mean unfollow? So you can't just follow me?
No, that's what I'm saying. I go drop somebody and put you in.
No, what I'm saying, you can't put me in without dropping somebody.
No, me just want drop somebody.
All right then, okay. Angle your business. So wagwan.
Nothing, me so happy, man. And me like your little short story them, you know, when the people them call in.
Yes, blessings, man.
Yeah,
give
man,
thanks,
love
man.
them.
Give thanks, man. Give thanks.
Yeah, you keep the heart rate going.
Give thanks, blessings, man. And I enjoy doing so. My little gift that, you know? My little gift that, you know, and thing. But what you eat for breakfast this morning? Hello? I want she mute herself. I want a while ago. You know, so I see TikTok, they bring up something a while ago, you know, I know why. I don't know if she get, because sometimes TikTok go on. But she's still there. Hello?
Yeah, me, I hear you.
I want a while ago.
I don't know.
Cause you know, you have to be careful because some spirits are moving around the place and one day. I joke me. What did you have for breakfast this morning?
Cream of wheat porridge.
Cream of wheat porridge and thing.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
you
hear
make
me
it?
now.
Yeah, oh, you make it.
I did 3 minutes one, and I make it with coconut milk.
The coconut milk out of tin?
No, man, the coconut, the milk in the box, you know the powder where you have to add the hot water?
Okay, that one there you do, I
A
think.
coconut milk in there, my coconut cream. Sitting like that, master.
You have coconut milk and coconut cream. You have 2 different ones, you know?
In the grace box?
Oh, and I grace one them. So what you do, you just make that and put the porridge in it and then add it up for the in a microwave.
A coconut milky call.
Yeah. And so you sweeten it differently or you just use the milk alone?
No, man, you add it. You use the water first and
right.
Boil the cream of wheat little bit. And then you put the coconut milk in there.
What you mean boil? You mean pan the stove or in a microwave?
Yes. No, stove top. You not do microwave.
You not do microwave. So you boil it a little bit and then you boil it just in a water, right?
Yes, and then me add me nutmeg or me cinnamon.
Nutmeg. See, it's spoken like a true Caribbean woman, you know, nutmeg and cinnamon. And then what else? You're not sweetening with condensed milk?
No.
No, you just leave it so?
We just leave it like that.
But some of them come with sugar in them already, you know.
No, not the one over here.
Not the one over here. So you know, come with nothing sweet, like no look sweet nine.
No, not the instant. The instant ones are sweet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so this is the cream of wheat 3 minutes where you cook and you add something to it. But I did add something, I'm lying. I add the strawberry jam.
Oh, yeah, okay. So you sweeten it a little bit then.
Strawberry jam. Mm-hmm.
You put strawberry jam in a cream of wheat?
Yeah, then that me sweet now. Me no use sweet milk.
No, but when they say jam, you know what I mean jam like where you spread.
Yeah, jam, not the spread. You have jam and you have the spread. 2 different something.
Well, but the jam that just make for sweet and stuff?
Jam, yeah. Try it.
No, remember I said, when you said jam to me, I think about stuff where you put on crackers, you know?
Yes, jam, yeah. Jam. And also they have this spread.
No, but that is a spread. Me I talk about the spread that we grew up when you say jam, you put the jam on your, but me never, you have jam that is a sweetener.
No, you have jam and you have jam spread. So the jam is more, have the more fruitier thing and the spread is smooth.
Oh.
When you go back in the store, you look.
No. Yeah, and let me tell you what's going on here. Yeah, because you know, so me all and pop done, right? So in my mind, once me hear jam, that is the spread.
No, they have
So
spread.
remember when we grew up, you know, the jam are the spread. So, you know, if it's a jam spread, the jam are the spread. But you are saying you have jam, which is a sweetener, and you have jam spread, whichever you're going to put by your crackers and your biscuit.
Yeah, more thinner. More thinner. The spread more thinner.
Okay, but me never know if they have jam as sweetener.
Me just use it as that, which I find, I did it once and I find it good. So I'm like, okay, you have to use sugar.
Oh.
And you know what else? Peanut butter too.
What about it?
You can use it sweeten your porridge too.
Say what?
Yep. See, look, somebody said oatmeal with peanut butter.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Yep.
No, yeah, them agree with you and I say, yeah, Angelo say, yeah, Cheryl Bless say, yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
I've never heard that before.
Yep. You don't need sugar.
You sweeten oatmeal, you sweeten the porridge with peanut butter?
Yes.
All right, hold on then. All who did that before, sweeten
See, look, yes, I
something with peanut butter, say me, post me.
See, yes, I come up there.
No, hold on, let me say, yeah, say me. She talk on me.
Yeah, capital. This I want to say no.
Watch ya.
Yeah.
You know that I didn't know that. I didn't know that the people use peanut butter for sweetening thing. Peanut butter for me is just butter. It's just you put it on something where you eat. Well, and do you do that thing that Americans do, put peanut butter on apple?
No, me not eat apple.
You don't eat apple?
Nope.
Why?
My only fruits I eat here is ripe banana or orange. I don't do apples.
Why you not eat apple? What you have against apple? How apple do you?
Not even apple product me not have. Me just not like apple.
Why you not like apple, boy?
Me just not like it.
What you mean, like you eat Jamaican apple?
Yeah,
The
if
red
I
apple?
go home, yeah,
You
when I
eat the
go
red
home,
Jamaican
I
apple?
eat
Okay.
anything I had me eat.
But you know, fix up that cause people may read into it, yeah, say and thing.
Oh,
I'm just a protect you because I don't want to go bust liberty upon you with them careless because you know them wicked, you know, and thing like
I
that. Yeah, but okay, all right then.
I know,
But what may I say is, you just not eat apple, you just not eat American apple, you just not like it at all.
yeah, I don't eat the apples. I just don't eat it.
But when you say you just not, you mean you don't like it, you try
Me
it and
not
never
eat
like
it
it?
none at all.
You
None
never
at-
tried it?
I try once and me not want it, no.
Oh, that is interesting. I just
me not
never
eat
really
it.
heard that before, you know? So
I don't eat apple and I don't eat pizza.
What? How pizza drop in? Why you not like pizza? Why?
Me just I give some couple stuff I me not eat. I just
No,
don't eat it.
but why you don't eat pizza?
Me not want it. Try it one time too, me not want it.
So tell me, when you tried, what about it that turned you away from it?
It was too greasy.
Too greasy, and then
and too much stuff was on it, and this was coming from the number one pizza store over here. Pizza Hut is the number one here.
Wait, which part you there? Oh,
Yeah.
that is interesting. Well, I know somebody, you know, when she eat pizza, them take out the slice, and when them take out the slice, the cheese did a drain off and a stretch
It was
off.
hot.
And the cheese a drain off and it kind of whatever this and that.
Yes, stretchy.
She say, Jesus Christ, that looks slimy. I don't want none. And she never eat pizza. And I'm like, no, it has nothing to do with slime. It's a cheese.
Yes,
but
it was hot. Yeah.
No. But you see how aesthetics are important. Aesthetics, how something look, how it look, right? How it look, you know. So substantively, you know, she don't even know what it is. She don't know what the substance of it is or whatever. How the thing look. That was just an immediate turn off. It's just not like nothing where it a hang off so and the stretch and thing. Immediate turn off. Immediate. But as I show you how for Jamaicans, you know, presentation is very important. You know, how the thing look. How the thing look. Jamaicans, you have the food cooked, the nicest tasting food. If you don't share that good in Jamaica, if you can make it chaka, plaka, Jamaicans, them don't want it.
Don't want it.
Them don't want it. It could have taste good looking when we have get food like that. You see me look like me a prisoner. May I beg you something? All kind of chaka sitting like that and thing. You know, Caribbean people are very funny about them something there. The thing have to present good. So much so that you can present the thing good, you know, and it not good, you know, and then we work with you because it look good.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, it look good.
Yeah, it's like you go into a store and if the customer service is not good, I'm not buying anything there.
Well, right. That is across the board, you know.
Yeah, presentation. Yeah, give somebody else a chance.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. Glad you find me and thing and whatever.
Man.
Give thanks. Your blessings, all right? Stay
Blessings,
safe. Protection, man. Cool.
Nice.
Okay.
Take me down now.
Yeah. Oh. God. Yeah, man. Yeah, Wagwan. Who this, you know? What's up?
Raga, this is Clay. This is my first time calling. I was calling to tell you that if you check thriftbooks.com, you will find the Anansi stories.
No, I know a lot of Anansi story, but you like the nice, you know, anyway, kind of, you know, because we don't want Anansi, you know, Anansi come from West Africa, you know, right? So you find so them story that
check out the website.
Yeah, but what the book name? What the name?
There's one with Jamaican folklore stories, I believe. It's a couple of Nancy out there. You can check them out.
No,
just go on the website. You'll see them.
No. What's the website again?
Thrift Books.
Could you
Thrift. THRIFT.
Okay. Books.com. All right.
Books.com.
Thank you for that. May I check it out because I want to introduce it to my kids and, make them appreciate some of my little thing from them background, and things. All is well with you?
No. My mother just passed. Well, she passed January 28th.
Oh.
29th, and the funeral was this Saturday past.
Oh, okay. Condolences. So you kind of go through it right, yeah. Not kind of, you are.
Yeah.
You are, go through it right, Well,
But the good thing is, there's a lot of family that was born in Kingston, Jamaica.
In where?
I didn't know.
In where?
Jamaica, St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth,
There's
Jamaica.
this little town after Brompton called Kingston.
Kingston?
Yes.
No, what name?
Well, I left there when I was 10. Don't stop it.
No. Honestly, I'm serious. I just didn't hear the what pen.
I think it was FIFFE.
SISSE.
Kingston.
Oh, F. Somebody soon put it. No, but just I try to pick up away, To you say Senti, and Senti. Big parish and thing. So what you say when you go to the funeral now, you met a lot of people, right?
Actually, some of them weren't able to come.
Right.
They called me afterwards.
Oh.
And most of them are in Florida. And I'm like, all this time I'm sitting up here in Maryland and I need some food from Jamaica. I'm going to call them up and tell them to send me a box.
All right.
I'm telling you, I'm calling all of them.
Right. So out of a dismal situation and thing, you had some, pluses coming out right and thing. Give thanks, and blessings to your mother. She transition and thing, but when we're not distant fathers or anything, but just when your mother transition, it's can be rough,
Yeah.
Something and things. So hang in there, boom, from all the TamFamers over here, TamFamers. We just, on behalf of them and from myself, we just want to say condolences and thing, all right?
Thank you so much.
You're
Appreciate
welcome, man. All right, take care, yeah?
All right.
Protection, cool. Oh, so somebody spell it then, 5 pen. 5. Wait there. It's FYFFE, that's all. I know, I never really. That's why I want to learn them look at something. I never. Yeah, FYFFE. Too sexy for you all. Say FYFFE, 5 pen. No, it's me I learn. Listen, all who over here TikTok, if you don't follow me yet, follow me now. If you all who over here TikTok, if you don't follow me yet, follow me now. If you're over YouTube, and you not subscribe to me yet, subscribe right this minute and click the notification. That is the bell. The bell is just for notification. So even if you're a diehard comrade PNP, put aside the foolishness and hit the bell over there at YouTube and thing, just to get notification. You're not doing anything wrong. No trauma, no dead. Right? Some knows that someone no comrade PNP who's afraid of the bell. All right? You see it? Rock off it. Oh, hold on. I need to get rid of that chair, And every time I buy it, I either buy back the same chair, and then the chair I make nice again. So I'm never going to get one different chair. Althea Remy Raga look young to F word. Me a old man. Yeah? I'm a old man, late 50s, so me a old man. Late 50s, me a old man. Okay. So me see someone send me some text I wanna go on and thing. And when me not answer, you know, cuss me out and whatever. Me just saying I foolishness, me a old man with some other depend, me not depend right you know, yeah? Right? So I know me not respond to no man, me not want to no cuss me, man. Cause if you send certain things, I mean, alright. You know, take time with me, man. Me a old man, me can't manage certain things. Right? Been there, done that, run the road and the whole works and whatever, seen. Right? But me a old man. Right? Me a old man. Alright? So, when I be able to myself, you know, that's somehow not move right. Right? When I go on with this, hey, talking about, you know, me always I go back and forth in terms of how things used to run then and whatever. You know my little drama when me they just go UA and the little student roll up on me there and nearly mash up my head and all these things. But me I tell you, you know, it's a whole different game, man. Woman a juggle the thing different now, you know. The woman them a move different. When you talk about you have enough women out there love say them independent and them not independent, right? But one of the ways in which women have been more, I wouldn't say independent, but I would say more autonomous in with respect to be self-determining, right? Who have discarded the restraints of traditionalism, meaning there were certain cultural conventions designed to contain women and prevent women from doing certain things where man did have freedom for do, right? So we know said that about long time, right? And you don't know the thing. A woman can do, a man do and still be a lady. But a whole heap of woman, no, you can't tell them that, you know. Oh, no for them. Them see a guy, I like a guy, I like it. Come here. And whenever I send something to you, boom, 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 boom. A big thing that now, you know. A woman them just, yeah, I kind of like it though. Even though I can't manage some of my thing them when they will step to you with them, whatever. I like it though. I like a woman kind of free up with certain things and, you know, and it's what them want. It's their choices. Some of them take it too far and kind of, you know, some woman delulu with some things out there in terms of what them think them entitled to, right? We know that. But on the real though, you know, 2026, the 2026 modern contemporary woman is, you know, the more entrepreneurial, you know, them run them own thing and, you know, it's about ambition, it's about growth and, yeah, it's about a degree of assertiveness and it's not necessarily aggressive. It's just, it can be calmly forthright, you know, but me like that's something that way, you know, nowadays woman them be like, if them want something, them go off for something. Them want something, them tell a guy, say them want something. Right? And then do something, them say, you know, some like so and so, some want you do so and so. And the man know if you know if him can juggle, you know. If him can't juggle, him juggle, you know. But it thing different out, you know. You still have the traditional thing, you know, but woman just send signal to man, you know, and the man for make the move. Right? But you know, you have a next set of woman out, you know, a new breed of woman out, you know. Yeah. Yeah, go after where them want. Yeah, them now sit down and wait for this and that and pray for this and that and thing. Them go out there for where them want and tell a guy where them want. Yeah, and if you can't work with it, you can't work with it and thing. And to them, it's no loss there. Okay, bye. Moving right along. I like the confidence there, you know. Big up on yourself, you know, to the modern woman, you know, right? Even though some are not too right, but nothing, but you know where I go, you know, big up on yourself, man. Watch out, my boss, yeah, man, over there in London, right, you know, Craigton, me hear what I must say, I know one thing, see? Yo. Big man, what go? Yo, sir.
Yo, you hear me? TamFam, big up,
look like you
TamFam,
have something on. You look like you have something on in our background. You don't know if you turn it off when fire come on.
Well, no, I thought me have on, me turn it down.
No, turn it off. Okay, what I got on?
How it's on? You still get the feedback?
When I hear it now. So what's going on?
Good, cause me have me literally in a bed I talk to you still, but
yeah,
me not stay long.
Yeah.
But me just a pull back camp on Java.
Yeah.
Java say me this and me that. But me not I'll slide along that. But there's a particular game what we used to play. I mean, hear nobody mention it. Down at Clarina, we used to call it Cheffy. You know that name? You know that game there?
No.
Cheffy.
When I know nothing near Cheffy, how are that?
Right. Here the game stay. You have two sides. Say five sides. See?
Yeah.
And each side have a base. So basically, one come off a base and tempt the other side run come and touch.
No, a Chevy Cheers, yes, to rotted, Chevy Cheers.
A Chevy we call him. I don't know Chevy Cheers.
I don't know like
fresher than you.
No, if somebody get catch out, that's we have to join line, hold on together and see if the line can go out there for rescue that person. Another game there.
No, you have to run out there and sight and touch the person and free up the person and run back to the base.
Yeah, but you never have the same game, but you never have a version like if somebody touch the base, then you can hold hand together and see if you can reach a person.
Maybe they need to have when they did on a country.
Okay, we never do that one. Yeah, Kingston apart though.
And the Kite, you remember
somebody else call it Stocky Pulley. We used to call it Chevy Chase. We know that game, the man. Yes.
Cheffy, we used to call it a free place.
Cheffy. Well, you know, in different parts of Jamaica, we pronounce some things differently, you know?
Oh, yes.
So in Kingston, perhaps we said Chevy. But over there, just hop, step, and a skip over to Clarendon, you guys were saying Cheffy. No. Yeah. Right. No, because them time there, you know, Clarendon did far from we. Them time there.
Oh yeah.
Clarendon not far now. 10 minutes over there, but them time the Clarendon did far from Kingston. Even though next to St. Catherine. Next to St. Catherine, Clarendon was proper country. And over there, so some of the good Obia they come from down a veer.
Shh, not tell nobody.
What? The whole Jamaican was say, Una did run the Obia thing in Jamaica at one point.
No, we did have.
Hold on. How long you listen to Ragashanti? Tell the people them.
Coming close to 20 years, if not 21.
Yeah, if not more. No, more. What you mean 20? 20 a year, yeah, listen, man.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Fine, yeah, listen Ragashanti and all of the Obia Mixup. Who is the most celebrated Obia man come on Ragashanti show?
The brother with the two drunk.
The brother, no, said the two pet drunk.
Oh, beg your pardon, the two pet drunk.
The Obia man with the two pet drunk. What the two pet drunk them name?
What their name again?
Flirty and Florence.
Them two. Yeah.
Right. And when he walk around the town with him pet drunk them and think people fear him and respect him. You remember that Obia man there, right?
Yeah, man. Yeah,
and
man.
He called Raga show several times, don't?
Yeah, man.
Which part the Obia man they come from? You tell the people him.
Clarendon.
Exactly. Right? Everybody didn't know I only did run the Obia thing. Remember I said originally, you know, because St. Thomas would have the strongest African retention out of all of our folk farms people. This is St. Thomas. It was for a long time. They said the biggest Obia come from St. Thomas. But then after that it was Clarendon and then it was Westmoreland. And now from what they are St. Mary. But go on talk.
But at the same time, you know, in a Clarendon, you know, we kind of used to talk about St. Thomas. So you can't be careful when you got St. Thomas. You can't talk to people. They will turn your head back at you.
No, that's what. Turn your head back.
St. Thomas, it's a weird.
Remember, I tell you, the way propaganda powerful. You know, remember somebody I said, boy, the Obia St. Thomas strong, you know. So I said, why you say that? You know, so when I drive through the one time and the whole time I go there, my head swell. When I, do you know that Jamaicans have these things? If Duppy come in your presence, your head swell, don't you know about that, right?
Yeah.
Man, tell you, you know, it's just in our mind, the foolishness just in our mind, you know, because it must have come, someone might come from Portland and I come on to the Yallas, I'm coming on to Montbay Yallas and come on, you know, and the man I say, the whole time in a St. Thomas, you know, my head just swelling, you know, the Duppy them over there strong, you know, me I tell you, you know. And I beat St. Thomas and give St. Thomas a one time, eh?
When I'm a teenage, I'm coming like late tonight. Done say about 17, 18. When me catch my gate, me spin the road before me going, you know.
You spin the road. How many times you spin the road? Let me see if you know.
Well, me just spin my roll and go in.
How many times?
One. Me do one.
That never take.
Well, I don't know why.
You don't know how many times you must spin your road to get rid of Duppy. Let me see if somebody put in my chat already. Some other people are put it there. Look in my chat, because me know what you think.
A tree. Spin the road.
You see how much people say tree? You see how much people say tree? Them know what it is. Them know what it is. If you spin your roll one time, all you do, you tighten the Duppy on you. How do you do your time? The Duppy pan you. You have to spin the roll 3 times. A 3 times. Quick time. You should have known. Look how long you have. Quick time. A 3 times you have to spin the roll. Anybody grew up in a revival church or Jamaica, you know, a 3 times you have to spin the roll for catch the Duppy them off for you. So the whole time you did a spin the roll one time.
And
you know,
the matches, remember one with the matchstick?
Eh?
The matchstick one.
All right. How many matches? First of all, how many matches stick you start with? Tell me. Let me see if you know.
3 matches stick.
No. How many matches stick you start with, Craigton? Come again.
Well, if I remember right, there's
You're
three.
their class right now. You're their class right now. No. So somebody I put 3 is not 3. Well, let me see if you know. I think I understand why you not. All right, explain what you do. Let me see what you have. Let me see.
You light one matches, throw your front.
Yeah.
One, throw back.
Yeah.
And the next one, you throw it, but you know, throw it. You hold it, but you have, like, you pretend you throw it and have it in your hand. And hold it.
No, it's 3 you're supposed to do with that, and then act like you do it with the 4th one.
Okay, me no know.
So in that sense, the 3 right. The 3 right. The 3 right.
You hold one.
Right.
You left it up, you look for your 4th one.
Right.
Last one.
Yes, if you go anywhere you're there, if you do it like to the front, the 2 side, and then you act like you throw it back at you.
Okay.
And then you keep walking, and the Duppy will stay back at you and look for it, because you want the Duppy the back at you. You know, want to act like you throw it forward, because the Duppy up there look for it and thing about it. You have to throw it back at you. And you see what Apple Blossom put, you have to do it at one crossroad. You have to do it at one crossroad and confuse the Duppy. Confuse the Duppy, make it Duppy. They run there, look for the other matches. That's why you keep it moving. You understand? Yeah. All right. What else you know about how to counter Duppy now? Let me see if you know your culture.
Me used to hear to
what?
Rolling calf with the chain.
What about the rolling calf with the chain?
Never yet, but me know make like man, me know some I man out there draw chain pan road that make people lay rolling calf.
Make people think a rolling calf. We know that and thing. 2 things them used to do. Them used to have a chain and then run with the chain at night time on the road and then put like little can, then put like milk in, and then you did have one. Remember, say we did have Nestle and Betty milk, you know.
Yes.
But you did have one. You did have one evaporated milk named Gloria.
Gloria.
When I remember Gloria, though.
Yeah, remember Gloria,
and the Gloria one did bigger, you know.
Yeah.
So then we tie it, then we get either Nestle, Betty, and Gloria and put on the chain and run with the chain and make people hear it at night time. You know the other thing when we used to do for mad people, don't you? Get some big piece of ice. Right?
Chew it upon people all stop.
And chew it upon people all stop and make them boom, 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 boom. And by the ice melt. And then swear when they come out and then look at the next day and them not say no stone, but then hear it and them say, Jesus God, you see it? A Duppy did a beat down the all stop at that time I made the ice melt, you know.
Oh God.
God, Jesus, may I tell you, problem back in them day, the thing and the arms also we used to keep up.
We're young, you're just nine, you just, you know, you're young, you're like sponge. You observe a lot of things.
No, me used to their country, you know. Which part our house it did a distance from somebody also we used to stay Aunt Peggy. So anytime we go our house, we always go for Aunt Peggy. But when we come from Aunt Peggy, we have to walk, come down and pass the shop and pass Miss Ear the shop and come down and whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So when you walk at night time, you know, say banana tree and plantain tree always look like somebody a move.
Yes, that's right. That's true. That's true.
When banana tree and plantain tree always look like somebody a move. Me don't know for how true them big, the leaf them big, but them light. So them susceptible to any little movement from the wind. So when you come down and you walk all the night time and you see all the banana tree, I run in a car that up there and I call me. In not calling me out there.
Oh, Raga, you lucky. You good run. Me fat long time now. So no, walk fast.
No, man, yeah, some fat people move fast, man. Some fat people move fast. No, look on bigger Ford. Bigger Ford did fast, you know?
Yes. he was
Bigger for the
notorious for that.
fast, like fast. You have
Yeah,
some
man.
fat people fast, man. So and thing. And when I Duppy, you don't care if you're fat or maga, you get fast.
Yeah, move.
Okay,
Move through.
No, Duppy make you move fast. And thing enough Duppy me have to run her from, man, because I'm afraid of them, man. Run her from the Duppy them and thing. And then my mother, God bless her soul, poor thing, she never even know. My mother didn't go tell me from your picnic, say, you have mole in your eye, you can't see Duppy, so you have to be careful out there. You hear my son? And me I say, And she say, yes, anybody have mole in them eye, them can't see spirit. God give them people with mole in them eye, God give them the ability. So you're going to see a lot of Duppy here. Don't listen to them when them tell you and call you if you do anything and whatever. Me I say, yes, mama. Me say, when them call you and I tell you, say, if you do so and so and whatever, remember, you can't see them. Nobody else can see them and thing unless them have mole in them eye too. So me, you know, for me, look a bit in a bit, but when my mother tell me, I see the Duppy them, you know. That's why me didn't know, say, out of all of the people, and for me, you are listening a long time. You remember one time I tell them down in Jamaica, I said 3 Duppy in a parliament.
Yes, me I was there.
You remember I always I tell them, so out of the people, man and woman them in a parliament, 3 of them was Duppy, 2 labor right and a PNP. Though you always I tell them, 3 Duppy in a parliament, right? One of them retire what year.
I just talk about sit up. You know, so when I go to primary school, you know, the time I'm fresh from England in middle 70s, you know.
Yeah.
And then one girl said, sit up Monday, because in school we used to go, it's assigned to a church, and you have a graveyard night, you know, but we used to ramp on the grave them and thing.
Yeah.
And the girl said, sit up there. You can't see him. Come and step on your big toe. You see him.
Come and step on your big toe, you see him.
Come and step on your big toe, you see him.
Oh. So if you step on your big toe, you'll be able to see Duppy?
Yeah, if you step on the big toe, you see him.
But you know about bend over and look between your leg quick when you're at a funeral at the top of the coffin door.
No, vaguely. To be honest, no. That's not something that
you have to go like up at top of the coffin, bend over and look quick and you'll see Duppy. But you have to look and come up quicker. If you stay down and then we'll box you and give you a lockjaw and then flatter you out, you know. So you have to look quick, you know.
When you left dead, you can't see me gone.
When you left dead, you can't see me gone, though. Yeah.
When you left dead, you can't see me gone. You have to say, yo.
Yeah. We'll see you.
Say gone, Duppy follow you.
Yeah, the Duppy will follow you.
You can't say me gone. Yeah, tomorrow, man, me gone. You can't say that. These things, boy.
Yeah, all right. Tell me some of the things that my Duppy afraid of.
Duppy afraid of water.
Duppy afraid of water?
Oh, yeah. They say never throw water at night.
No, but you know, mean them afraid of it. I mean they're offended by it. When you're in your house at night time, you know, for throw out water. Well, I'm glad you know that one day, you know, for throw out water, just so if you go throw out the water, you have to go outside and hold it down and ground and just...
Well,
them say you never throw the water, so you want to be Duppy and the Duppy come back.
You know, we're a man, right? We turn up Jamaica, you turn up anywhere and people, you know, man, you know, man stay.
Yeah.
Whatever you say, at night time when you're a piece of bush, you must say, excuse me, I'm a stranger here.
No, me know about excuse me. Just say excuse me. You must say excuse me. And thing,
I'm a stranger here.
Yeah. All right, but what Duppy afraid of? You know.
The color red.
First thing, Duppy afraid of salt. Yeah, I'm afraid of salt. You know that, right?
The color red.
Color red. Duppy afraid of the color red. Yeah, what else?
I can't remember offhand right now.
Nutmeg.
I never know that one.
Yeah, man, Duppy afraid of nutmeg.
Lime.
Jamaican. No, lime for luck.
Okay.
Yeah, Duppy lime.
Mirror. See, somebody put mirror in
it. Them afraid of garlic. Yeah, right.
Mirror. Somebody put mirror in it, something there.
Somebody put mirror, but that is really an American thing with vampire and them something and whatever. That them pick up that. But that is not a Jamaican thing.
Love rum.
Right. All right. You see somebody put urine in a buckle. You see that person that go deep.
Yeah.
Duppy afraid of steel people. Yeah, man, Duppy afraid of steel piece. Duppy afraid of cream soda, big beer, right? Duppy not
Yeah,
like cream soda.
Cream soda, yes,
Yeah, man,
yes,
cause
cream
Duppy
soda.
think the cream soda water and thing, and
The
when the thing
revivalist them always a cream soda.
yes, man, cream soda. Duppy afraid of horseshoe. That is really a global thing.
Kananga water.
No, and that them afraid of Kananga water. Kananga water healing oil and them something. Then them just for purification and healing and them something. But Duppy afraid of tape measure.
Whatever tape measure, me never said that. Me got people here go sit there and tape measure and then do on it.
Yeah,
excuse me language.
For ease off your old crosses, them the Duppy them and thing like that. Duppy afraid of tape measure. But the Jamaica Duppy afraid of tape measure. Enough people say how they dress up and look nice and all them thing and have them proper tape measure under them clothes that keep off the all wicked them. Yes, Lord. Yes. So y'all have some people, you know. You have some people as you look upon them, you know, say them under them tape measure, you know. Some people in a TamFam, you know, have to ask, you know. Right? And some people who would never think say about like I look upon Antasha, you know, say she not left foot for her tape measure. And you'd never think say Antasha, right? But some people can just say and pick Lanoy over Jersey there.
Wow.
Yeah. Lanoy and thing, them people, them ease have Duppy with tape measure under them clothes and them hide it and thing, you know.
What you think about Pretty?
Blessed,
You think Pretty might
blessed. Who?
Pretty.
Which Pretty? Pretty Nikki?
No man, no Pretty. My Pretty. Marcia Goodas, man. You're Pretty because when I'm Pretty because.
Marcia Goodas?
Yeah, man, Pretty. Big up Pretty.
No, Marcia Goodas not wear them something there.
I would Mr. Ask.
No. We're talking about people who are easy off Duppy. Marcia Goodas hang out with Duppy. Marcia Goodas and the Duppy them part. They don't know say Marcia Goodas go dance with Duppy down in Atlanta. Regular thing that for she, man. She go dance with Duppy and thing or whatever. So then all right then. Why you think say when you know Marcia I tell people about the dance and she go and I say, but are you alone? I go say we are talking about your friend and my Marcia say you don't worry about it. People they did it with me. You never know what she refer to.
I don't for them.
I Duppy them, then I Duppy she go dance with man. She go dance. A regular Marcia good at touch the road with Duppy man. She and the Duppy them power and whatever man. Marcia good at thing different. Marcia good at thing different to down there with the Duppy them and thing and whatever man. She not afraid of Duppy. Afraid of what kind of Duppy? I'm telling you, man, you don't know how I go on. You don't know how I go on with Marcia Goodas right there down there. The Atlanta people, them, you know, them kind of, yeah, with the Duppy
special.
Thing, them. Yeah, no, them thing, don't people down in Atlanta, them, don't. I'm juggling with the Duppy, them, man. What else Duppy afraid of? What else Duppy afraid of? Let me see if you can buy something.
You see, we can't think of this. I'm looking at chat again. I don't know anything is.
If anybody else put, Jeremiah said, Sardos, don't pay Jeremiah, no, man. Jeremiah's not writing. Well, on, you know what I'm saying? Could I write about the Sardos?
What Sardos use?
No, man, I think there is something about Sardos with Duppy for true, you know.
Like just sprinkle it and then can't walk over it or something like that.
No, there is something, I think it's something, but I not just the Sardos. Yes, Marsha, wrong side clothes. When you have on your clothes wrong side, you ease off Duppy too.
Yes, wrong side,
yes. Yes, that good, yeah. Yeah, and Duppy afraid of pepper too. Duppy afraid of pepper
too. Somebody put horseshoe. Horseshoe is right.
So Romeo put the Sardos, cedar board Sardos. You see it? So Romeo put it. Cedar board Sardos. I tell him, man, there was something about the Sardos. I remember something about the Sardos, you know. There was something about the Sardos and thing and whatever, yeah.
I soon gone on my bed, man. Somebody send me my bed. I soon gone on my bed. I was an house still.
Who run them, don't make them come go on like them want to come run your show, you know. Hey,
I want to check sure, man.
Stand up strong, you know. But make them come tell you what you for doing. Some people come here and love tell people what them for doing and go and them for go, man. All right, you just talk where you want to talk. Yeah, you one big man. Oh, them go, man. Okay, all right.
Yes, brother. Skipping again, the kite thing. You know, you say the kite.
Yeah.
You say you have if you kite, I go up and I lick two sides and so forth.
Yeah.
Not good. Tail. No, the tail too sharp.
The tail not good.
More tail on it.
Yeah, you have to have more tail on it. You have to have more tail on it. And you know, say that deep though.
The tail?
No, I'm going to tell you a thing. I mean, now you're big brother, don't you?
You can talk.
All right.
Yeah, I mean, look a brother, but me work with it. See, go on, big brother.
All right. I tell you a thing, you know. But All right. You know what I say? Flat bottom woman them can't really hold the other somewhere, you know. But you see the woman and the big bottom, them firm and solid, you know. So I see same thing with the kite. When you have enough tail, the kite balance up and strong, you know. Same thing with plane too, you know. Right? You know, it's about, no, listen to me, you know. No, this deep, you know. This deep, what I'm telling you, you know, dog. Yeah. Well, you say what? What?
Where are we going with this, Reggae?
No, we're not going to where we reach.
Okay.
we reach. May I tell you what I tell you? Listen to me, man. I bet you say, if most man are listen to me right now and thing, and them are pre-bat, them I say, but you know, say true. All right. You see, big bottom woman, them?
Yeah.
Them have a firm, solid firmness, you know, and them are more able, because them center of gravity, you know, them have the weight, they were holding. You understand?
Yeah, okay.
So you find some when them got them hard for you, you know, because them center, you feel, you know, or whatever, you know. And the way you beat them is if them are give you backers because the center not down.
I hear you.
You follow me, I say?
Yeah.
But you find say the woman them who have too much bottom no. You can't fling them all about, you know, whatever, and not even sometimes they can't be controlling themselves, you know. You know? Because them not have the tail like the kite. You see what I say? The thing deep, you know.
The kite,
I match out this something, you know. I match out this something. And if you think physics, my brother, think physics, okay?
Yes.
So if you have weight in the center of gravity, right? So you have all these extensions from the core. Right? You know what I'm saying? When you exercise, if you have bench...
Man, if you get some on camera, man, not to you, say,
yeah. You pull an alien, though. Right? You know, like say, if you have bench press, they must say, yo, bench press is not about your legs primarily, it's about in your so, you know, you know, find you're so solid and your core solid,
your core,
and thing and whatever, you pull up more, you feel stronger, you know. So you find, say, them woman, you know, with big bottom, you see, find them center. You see all a big bottom woman hold you with her leg. You know where I go, you know. That's why you see all if you mash her works and that woman they go so and she put her foot round your foot and thing. Now make them do that because you can't move unless you can whine good. Because you're not going to be able to move and then hold you and brace, you know, dog name your supper. You understand what I say? But you see the woman them who have the center there because them not have no, you know, no bottom there. You do as you like with them, man. You know.
Is anybody in particular we can an example of like who are talking?
Well, you see, at this point and this particular matter, I strongly suggest that you avoid referring to any names now, because it might not redound into, you know, your sustained good health. Ladies, Raga is being silly, okay? We don't take it too much. Yeah, nobody run with it here. Raga is being ridiculous right now. Okay, all right. Yeah, but that is just my theory.
Yeah.
Okay, that is just my theory. You know, that's my little argument, right? So, you know,
it's a theory without practical is what you say?
Theory without facts is essentially useless, and facts without theory is essentially useless. Yeah. So not facts. If you say a relationship between two,
I'm duly noted. I'm taking notes. As I'll see.
Indeed, my brother. Indeed, my brother. Indeed.
Listen, may I go through up that talk and make days get a talk to you. So big up yourself, brother.
No, say a word, man, you know, my brother. Big up yourself over there in London, you know. I remember say your time I changed the 23rd of the month. I wanna gone back to 5 hours ahead. Right now in London, in England, on 4 hours ahead. But the 23rd of this month, on the grand change, I wanna gone back to 5 hours ahead. So enjoy the 4 hours ahead while it lasts.
Okay? Enjoy it, man, because I have a bleach late. By the time when you lock off, it's 2 o'clock for me, and I'm alright with that. I can't work with that.
Balance and respect, my brother. Manners, all right. Big up yourself, man. Cool.
Manners and respect. TamFam, one TamFam. Pretty. Man, say good at. Yeah.
You Duppy them friend, though.
All right, cool.
Yeah. Zion Train, big up yourself. Oh, people. we're having some difficulties. Can I tell you, basically, I'm trying to convert the Big Yard user member database into the TamFam world user member database, and we're having some programming glitches in doing so, right? We're going to iron out that. We're going to iron out that. We're going to iron out that. So worry not thyself. We're getting there. There were some unforeseen issues that emerged, but they're being duly addressed and things. It's just that it takes some added work and thing, but Big Yard gonna be up again soon and very soon. All right. If I go there now, I'm not gonna see it now, but we still do some work and thing. All right. So just bear with me for a second again. And for people who don't know what we're talking about TamFam Big Yard. TamFamBigYard.com, TamFamBigYard.com, TamFamBigYard.com. That is where the Ragashanti community, the TamFam is. Okay? Anyway, I could go to some more people and things. All who over TikTok, yeah, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. All who over your TikTok, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. And thing, bless upon us. Greetings. Hello.
Well, go on, go on.
Man, they ain't around me and what go on? You're up on the road?
Yeah, man, I'm up on the road, man. I'm over Pennsylvania, you know?
Pennsylvania, you're the right, you know. Which side? Pittsburgh side, Philly side, or what?
No, man, I'm there right off of 80 or so, right? I say, close to Harrisburg.
Yeah, Harrisburg, that, I know, Jersey side? You're the nearer to Jersey?
Yeah, I'm near to Jersey.
Then you had to Jersey. Yo, you see, me sound like me know me and talk about, though.
Yeah, right.
So what you say? What you say?
You know what say? They must say when you go on road and you come in late.
Yeah.
You pass the gate and you spin the roll if you go in the house back way.
Yeah. Well, yeah, that's a standard thing if you go in the house back way. Yeah. But you have to take off your shoes first, though. Make sure you take off.
Yeah.
Because if you go in back way, you don't take off your shoes, you not do nothing.
Yeah. and I say, when you hat back way, Duppy can't see your face.
If you wear your hat backwards, Duppy can't see your face?
Yeah.
Because them a look on the way the front of the hat they don't.
I mix up and blend that time.
God, we never hear that one they do. We never hear that one.
I love Duppy story here where we are grown.
Well, you didn't know say Duppy not like Vicks?
Yeah. Because it's Vicks.
Yeah, you didn't know say Duppy not like Vicks Vapor Rub. Yeah, because the Vicks too strong for them.
Yeah.
That's why them say sometime when your baby asleep and lay down, if you just tip a little Vicks pan them and ease off a Duppy them, we will come pinch up a baby them, you know?
Yeah, right.
Vicks, them not like Vicks, Duppy not like. Hey, you see how Vicks bad do? Because you know, so when we are grow, people use Vicks for everything and things. So even Duppy Vicks keep off, you know. Big up Vicks Vapor Rub. Big up Vicks Vapor Rub. Keep off all Duppy off a picnic. Mad thing. Yeah.
Vicks good for everything, man. Fever, everything. Anything wrong, my rub and Vicks.
Anything. All when people don't know what the people them sick with them. So, boy, I mean, I know how I have been, but rubbing off with some Vicks there and see how it go.
Yeah, man. Hey, we are growing up, man. Two things always rub on, you know, Vicks and Vaseline, you know.
Vicks and Vaseline and thing. Right. Vicks and Vaseline, you know.
Yeah, right.
Vicks and Vaseline used for enough sitting. Enough sitting.
Yeah, man, all of a sudden, man, you boy got church with fried shine.
Yo, let me tell you something. All right. You notice that nowadays the people, right? Shaving is a thing, right? Now, you know. Like shaving a big thing now, right?
Right.
Amongst Jamaican and Caribbean people. I'll me embrace it, you know, because I tell people, say, when we did younger, it was sexy if a woman have hairy front with the ear all of people out of them bathing suits. Some people, I tell people that now and them say, oh my God, that is so disgusting. Yo! And thing I say, when we are little pitney, it was sexy if it's a ear of people with a woman bikini and them something there. No. The thing changed now. Sassy I talk about yuck. Sassy me serious. It was a thing. A woman will make them ear people out of them bikini because it was sexy when we grew up. No. You see it? People don't be master true. No, it's nothing. But listen on. When we did grow up, hairy chest per man was a thing, did sexy.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You know, the 70s, man, man will have ear on them chest and whatever. No, man, they did have the real things, you know, like them a real man, you know.
Yeah, man.
Hairy chest man, like woman, them love the hairy chest man, them and whatever.
Yeah.
So them did have one ear oil. When we look at it, name Bell Rose. I don't know if you're young enough to know about Bell Rose ear oil. You ever hear about that ear oil? Eh?
No, I don't know about that one there.
All right, the popular ear oil I get to did name Bell Rose, right?
Yeah.
And supposedly Bell Rose make your hair grow. So the woman them rub Bell Rose in them ear if make them ear grow.
Okay.
You know, I say one day now, me I walk and thing or whatever. I mean, I'm yard, and my mother said, Kingsley, come here.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, mama. Come here. How your chest so shine? How your how the whole of your chest so shine? What kind of shine is something that on your chest? I don't know. What you mean you don't know? Look how your chest shine. Now, come here. Are the ear oil you have for you? Is the ear oil you have for you? Where you put the ear oil for? Come here. You don't know, say, boy, rub down with the mother Bell Rose ear oil. Come here, say, I want ear grow, man. The ear for grow.
You want that Bell Rose, one blue Vaseline now, like one paper tin with metal at the bottom. I don't know if I one there attack.
No, I don't know if them did have one blue one, you know, but the Bell Rose where we grew up with did dark, it did more black like, you know.
Okay.
Let me say, ladies who know about Bell Rose, them did have one blue one eventually. I just say black one, me know.
Okay, because we know one blue one will grow, but the one, I don't see the one there.
No, so some people say they had a blue one. Me never know about the blue one. Me never know about the
that's
blue one.
Yeah,
No, somebody said name Blue Magic or name Pearly and thing or whatever. But me, Master Good, I said them, when I go to the Master say, you know, because she know them something. She said one the name Bell Rose Blue. But you know, that probably come later. But
Yeah,
the
that
one we
later.
grew up with was just black. Bell Rose was just black. Yeah.
Yeah, because I have a blue one, but my mind them said the one they attack.
Okay, now man, well, I down in a Bell Rose to ear grow up in chest to impress the girls, you know, man, and thing and whatever. You know.
Yeah, man,
And
it was a thing, man. Because when we grew up, we are looking where we are going river, you know. What happens is, when we grew up, you know, we live close to the river. If the river you talk too loud, we can't hear you, but we know we hide and go river.
yeah.
So through because we hide and go river, we can't swim in our brief, because we brief and go wet out of the pants. So we swim naked, you know?
Swim naked, because no one wet up on a brief.
Yeah, because we have to brief out of the pants, and I go back home and get beaten for that.
Okay.
So a little boy now, and you know, like we see the yellow, them arrive. I was laugh after we man. I say, oh, you not start feather yet. The piece can't burn grass.
Yeah, and the piece can bone grass or whatever, you know, no year no the your body yet and all.
Yeah.
So, you want pressure them time there, you know.
Yeah, man.
And pressure them time there, you're dying for see look a year come up on your body, you know, for just get a little flex and a hype, you know.
Yeah, man.
Those were the days.
You start feather yet, man.
Yeah, you know. Yeah, young boy no storm, nah feather yet, you know. That's something there.
Yeah, but them days when we grew up are different days, you know, man.
Yeah, well, you know, I could give thanks to it, no? Because, we had some good.
Some we used to do when we grew up, you know. When me turn adult, you know, and I look back and I say, yo, did I give away life them time there, you know?
Like what?
Like, we used to ride car and bicycle and coconut bow and them, you know?
Well, at that, you know, do at all. You know what we used to do at Kingston? What was the thing at Kingston?
No, I don't know, you know, because...
I'm going to tell you right now. You talk about give away your life. Let me tell you what we used to do at Crow. Hot bus.
Yeah, we used to do that, man.
Hot bus to a country. What? No, man. No, we are talking about the big JOS bus. Them, you know, it was a thing for up the bus. You know, you stand up on the back of the bus, you know.
Yeah,
you up the bus, you at the back of the bus. Yeah.
Yeah, we never know about that. We are real country, but we never know about bus until late 2000 and them something, you know. Yeah, we grew up a country.
What you say what? What? Till when what?
Late 2000, we know about bus and them now. We never used to go town. Uncle people used to go town from my place and people go market.
Really?
Yeah, man.
Man, we used to up bus, man, in the 80s and, you know, late 70s and
yeah, man, but we used to pick man. Pick up van them.
Yeah.
Yeah, we used to hop them there, you know, drop off and chip up knee and all the ring.
Yeah, cause them man know for bail off. You know, that's something to bail off. Bail off. Cause if you don't know for bail off, you know, you go take them up on the stage and bust up your head and think, whenever you say, you know, see what happened to John, the whole line mash up, him never know for bail off.
Yeah, man. Yeah, enough of that going, man. Enough for man drop off and...
Somebody talk about crab bush. You ever go crab bush, eh?
No, you know.
You know, say one time I go on, but me never get to stay, me did have to leave. But when me go grab bush and, you know, and you have your buckle torch and thing, you know, whatever, and, you know, but me never get to stay.
We never really have crab, we have crayfish.
Oh, yeah, that there. You know, water, you have to go in the water for that. And them always under a rock, you know?
Yeah, crayfish we have. We never have crab.
Yeah. But crab the pan land and you have to know how to put your hand in there, you know, because if them ever whatever worse, you know, once one time I go crab with them with the same time I'm a par with some of my watch bridge in them and we used to run from my mother and thing, Lady and Junior and Psyche, and we go bush a look crab. But you have one crab at Jamaica named Soldier Crab. We're in the shell. Yo, one grab and pan one of my, let me tell you, mash up my finger, you know, man. Yeah, boy, ball out like a bitch, man. My ball. Because I said, no, you never know if you do it, dog. You cannot go down in front of the crab, man. The claw, the catch, dog, near me supper. So say, so done.
Yeah, man, the crayfish we have. We never have crab.
But the crayfish, them have them claw, them bite you, them grab you with them claw too.
Yeah, man, them have claw.
So you have to be careful with them too, though.
Yeah, you have to be careful with them. And they swim back way, you know, so you have to be careful with them.
Them do what?
They swim back way.
Them not swim back way. Then swim.
Yeah, man, back way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, back way.
I work with him.
Get in there, boil soup, you know? Boil butter soup, yeah.
All right. Now say a word in a Romaine, I want you stay safe out there, you know, protection and strength, you know. And if anybody trouble you, call me, right?
Yeah, man.
Right? Because even if we can't reach out there, we think, but powers, you know, we just have to have Wi-Fi and we send Guzum to anybody out there and fix them business. All right? Remember, Raga are the good Obia man. Okay?
Yeah,
you know that.
Like
That. Right?
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
all right.
All right, you look for blessings to everybody, you know?
I'm a general. Big up yourself, man. Protection, man. Cool. One time, fam. Jano. Big up on yourself, you know. Sassy, big up yourself, you know. Apple Blossom, one go down. Jeremiah large up and things. She that me see her. Kia, you in a place? What's up? Savage things. Big up yourself, you know. Dante, where you there? I'm gonna see her. Cheryl Bliss, large up. Christina, seeing Craig Tan, you know, go to your bed. Eh? You know, go to your bed. I'm going to say big up to my people them over YouTube, you know. Munch, big up yourself. Munch, that a Munch British. Rose Blake, Chuckisha, of course. Foundation, that, you know, people, you know, we give Chuckisha full respect. Blessed Wagwan, Java Mir Daddy, of course, and thing, you know. Rose Blake and sitting. Big up all of the people them over YouTube. And thing, Leroy, Francois, and sitting, all right. Tash Daddy, Jennifer Lewis, and thing, right? Skiffler, American Pie Skiffler. I don't know, you know. Ellen Foster, Julian Knuckle, Dorian Brown, all right, Lorian Francis, Franz Blake, Brian Shanna. Miss Hermin, what's up? Start big up yourself, you know, Miss Hermin. Love and blessing, you know, Tisoto and thing. All right, big up on yourself. I want to send up respect to the Facebook people, and thing, you know, Charmaine, Messiah, Carol, right, Nene, Delroy, Bon, Jamaican, Jacqueline Williams, Verna Innes, Donald Hawthorne, Majibu, Geohage, you know, if I pronounce that correctly, Zenita Brown, Lawrence Edmondson, Sion Alfred, Jareen Lemora, Jacqueline Williams, Alex Damian, okay, Carmel, I should say, Rudine Asbury, Carleen Morgan, Valder Gordon, Joanna Edwards, Forsyth, and think J Mills, Jessette Elliott, Carleen Morgan, Eileen Kerr, Ruthie, be Ruthie, and thing Simone Pulley. A whole bunch of people like keen on the thing, you know, D. Wayne and Taylor, and thing, Saran, my cousin, my good cousin, Saran Walters, big up yourself. Your cousin loves you. Louis Bram, Jeraine Peter, Bruce Wallace, my general that, you know, and thing, I'm a real link that Brooklyn Newman, Olin Biggs, and a whole bunch of people, you know, it's all about 3 platforms right here now, one thing and whatever. Remember, you know, when you're in this business, you know, you're only as good as those who support you and thing, all right? So, you know, someone just as important in this thing, and even way more important than me in a game, you know, so we give thanks. Don't watch right, you know, all right? Big up all of our belly full right here now. And if you're hungry and thing, hold it and thing and go and build back and do what you can do for surviving and this, and know the levels and thing. And when you see where I go on out there in the other parts of the world, one bomb can drop and kill 168 children from the ages of 7 to 12 and them 14 teacher, and it coming like nothing. But it don't even appear. It don't even talk about no alarm, no depending on whatever. No matter what going on, you know, you have something Japan, you know, you send your pit to go school and whatever, and one bomb Japan thing, 168 picnic from the ages of 7 to 12 just gone, so, and them 14 teacher and whatever. It's crazy out there, people and thing, you know, enough people just, you know, it's like, oh, you know, over here, so you know, think about it and thing, but, you know, my heart goes out to them people. I'm just try to imagine where all them parents they go through right now. You can't even do, you know. You mean you know, irrespective of what going on the side there, what going on the side there, who they defend the side there, who defend the side there. You send your pit in them, your innocent little children go school and think 168 girls from the ages of 7 to 12 and them 14 teacher just gone, so, you know. Rough, yes, what I say? So I could give thanks, no? Yeah, man. Greetings, good evening.
Yeah, what go on?
Day I give thanks, you know, what I say?
Boy, I love the topic, you know, trust me. I love it so till me can't love it no more.
Rinse.
But, yeah, the boy, the doctor usually say they count 1, 2, and daddy, they're not saying 3, because 3 is dead.
Wait, what you say?
So 1, so the doctor counts.
When you say the Duppy then count and say what? Oh, it go?
1, 2, and daddy.
Who must say that? You, the person who is alive must say that?
Yes, so 1, 2. So the 2 matches stick them.
Yeah.
Remember the 3 of them?
Oh, when they mature, the matches stick them.
Yeah, so 1.
1.
That's one the other side, as I said.
Yeah.
That's the other one at the other side.
I said
now.
2.
2. And then the 3, you know, where you tempted 1, 2. Daddy there. After that, the one they go to that.
Yeah.
No.
Because the Duppy then can't count to 3, though.
Yeah. Yes. Oh my God. I mean, I remember the meeting when we call it. Oh my God.
Oh God. That one the hot room. I never know about the daddy there.
This man a 1, 2 daddy there.
Yeah.
And they say, you have to open Psalms 23. The doctor prays to Psalms 23.
No, man, Psalm 23 are the protector, Psalm, for everything. For everything.
Yes,
everything. You know about this. If you walk and cobweb company, you first say Psalm 23 right away. You know what I want?
Yes. And you see one man to start the road. If we turn right around, if we have to right around it.
Well, if you walk and mangoes, and mangoes run across the road, what you fed up?
Yes, you have to make one circle, 360-degree circle around you. Speed right around the circle with you in it.
Okay, so now turn the road if you just make one circle. If you make one circle, because the mangoes are bad luck.
Yes.
Lord
The mangoes are bad luck.
And the mangoes not do nobody nothing, you know.
Oh my God, people will. And you know, if you speak pan grave, they will kill you.
No, you know, if you speak pan grave, or you know, if you pine pan grave.
Yes, but yeah, if you find power,
if you bite your 10 finger them, if you pine pan grave, if you bite your 10 finger them.
Yeah. But you're not to pee on it as well. You know, like some little pitney with mistreat. Yes.
You know, if you pee pan grave, so if you pee pan grave, what gonna happen to you?
Boy, they said the dead didn't get wet and they no one get wet because they in a dry space.
Yes, so what happened to you? You know, you go pee pan it.
You know, so they will lick you.
Oh, the Duppy them will
lick you.
Because you know with them something, them quick for tell us something that go rotten off, you know. That is a common thing too, you know. All kind of something that go rotten.
Me don't know about that, me don't remember about it, but they say, me don't quite remember though, maybe it can be so, you know, but they say you're not to pee on it.
You know, for people. But out of decency, you know, I mean, these things, they may sound ridiculous and whatever, but sometimes they serve a, you know, a noble purpose. I mean, in general, you know, it's disrespectful to be peeing on anybody's grave, you know. So if you want to create something to make people fear it, then fine, you know.
Yeah. Yes. But now we turn in a bad man thing, you know, you didn't have to more piss by your grave. You know, you're that new thing there.
Yeah. Well, that not new.
Somebody said something, man. I didn't want. Oh my
no,
God.
that not new. Unfortunately, it's in the language and the dancehall and the this, you know, do you this and that and then go piss by your grave. But that is not something unique to Jamaica, you know. No, man, that they're all over, like, as a sign of disrespect, go piss by somebody's grave. That they're all over the world, The Italians are into that type of thing and whatever, and, you know, it's...
What they say, disrespect the dead, like?
No, it's like you just not rate the person, you know. It's just, you know, this whole thing here, you're supposed to respect the deceased in general. There's a certain amount of reverence that's approached to that. So if you do the opposite, which the ultimate opposite is to spit or piss on somebody, then you are communicating your disdain, your absolute disdain and disrespect for that particular deceased.
Yeah.
You know? But that they're all over the world, you know?
Okay.
But da did it.
All right.
2, da did it.
Yeah, 1, 2, da did it. Yes. But hopefully remember, but we can't need that the main one, you know. Oh my God. All right.
No say a word, man. Big up yourself here. Thanks for sharing. All right. 1, 2, da did it. So the thing said, know what is what, you know. And think you have to know how to fool up it up in them and all these things done. Proper. We ain't the juggling people at Ragashanti live right just up on TikTok. Remember, if you're there and you're not follow me yet on TikTok, follow me. No, you're not follow me. Alien, it's so like alien in our shop still. Why go down? Alien.
Yo!
Why go on?
Nana close Raga.
It sound like you're busy in our shop, man.
Me never know say you take me so early.
No, you're not early. Are you next in line?
Raga.
Yeah.
Welcome to Green Bush.
What about the green bush? Tell me about that one there.
Like when you join Green Bush with your finger, so you always have to have a piece of green bush.
Fidua.
The game, Raga, game. So when you go school, you go so with your little finger. You join.
Alien, you still do that something the way you do when you call and I show me like say me I see you and me not see you.
Oh, sure. Well, you go like this with your little finger anywhere you join.
You're still doing it. You're still saying go like this.
All right, let me stop. Let me put on my finger. Me and you,
yeah. Put on your finger. Yeah, put on your
green bush and we do it with little finger. So all the time me if you have a green bush, whether you go school or not, you have to have a piece of green bush.
Me still not get it, you know. Why you want to have it? For do what?
Green bush. You see, if you not have the green bush, Raga, anything you have, me have to get it. If I want bulla, me have to get your bulla.
Oh, okay.
So it's a game green bush. And what you say?
No, somebody named Sexy Onion say yes. She call it green leaf and thing, but she say
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
them know about
Anything
it. Yeah,
where you want, call it green bush, green leaf,
Them I
anything.
agree.
But
Them
you
know
have to
about
have
it.
something green in your pocket, between your book, in your bag. From there's a green bush, you have to search and find it.
Alien, you didn't know one where you have to have your finger crossed. I forgot what it name. What I wanted the name, your finger have to cross, and if your finger not cross, it's the person can't take some. What I wanted the name, people.
A fingers crossed it name.
Okay, fingers crossed. Yeah, okay.
Fingers crossed. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you know, so what year we go over
The game where you have to have your fingers crossed. It was called fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
Okay.
Yeah. And what year me go over Elsha, me see the love bush, you know. Raga, you know how much boy me like and me. Cause you have to spit pan it, you know. Spit pan it.
You have to
and
spit
then
pan
it.
Throw it, right?
Throw
Right.
it.
Yeah.
And you see, couple days if you not catch, because something was easy if you catch, you know, say the boy no love you.
Oh.
And you dry up, the boy no love you, my love. But from it spread,
Yeah.
the boy love you.
You ever do it and you see it catch and spread?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So you know, say a long
The
time them
one
did
boy back in the day, school friend.
one school boy. What him did name?
Regala that you want know. In the name Damian.
Damian and the love bush catch and spread for Damian. Oh, you mean Damian did weak to your thing, you know? Oh.
I love Java. Java said it all, Raga.
Java, where you say she said it all.
Yeah,
she got through them.
No man. A memory box.
Oh, what I'm telling man, Java go down in a crate, man, and drive some selection there. Where, you know, Java
man.
reel them out in idea, yeah, man.
For real. And 1 year, the love verse here, water from the hill, water from the rock, but the sweetest water is from your cock.
Other one that go again?
Water from the hills, water from the rock, but the sweetest water is from your cock.
And that is what you were saying in school? Wait, what you say, Ilian? That was a love verse?
Yes, water from the hills, water from the rock, but the sweetest water is from your cock.
I see you were having a most interesting time in school, Elaine. Somebody was paying attention to her schoolwork and, you know, and making sure that she studied what needed to be studied.
And you see the song them what we always write out in our book, like we love song or something. It always come in a children's one. Every week a song come in a children's ones.
Children one when they come in a paper, newspaper?
Yeah. Every
remember that
song, but no dirty song.
No. Those weren't children. One was a decent thing, you know.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, them agree with you. Them I say true.
We sit down and write it out in our book.
You know, so me never know that. Me not even remember that. You know.
Yeah.
Children's one. Remember children's one, man. We used to. Children's one never come every day. No, only Sunday it did come.
No, a school. Me not a glean a newspaper start. Children want where we used to get a school. 1 day in the week we have to buy children want.
So children one never did come. It never come in at the newspaper.
School we get it.
Oh, at school we get it. It's a weekly
newspaper.
We
used to get little children one why you da call star or whatever, but we call
but it was once a week though.
Once a week, and you remember like them farm out something in our children's zone from 1 to 100, and then you use the pencil and mark it 1, 2, 3, and when you look, it's an elephant.
Yes, remember that. Remember you draw it out and you draw it to the number them and then it come out. Yeah, remember that.
Man. How all heap of things used to go on back in the
You
days,
used to
man.
read the comics in the Sunday comics. You used to read the Sunday comics.
No.
Oh, you never get the Sunday paper, auntie. You used to love read that, you know, because it did have the Phantom in it.
Oh.
Yeah, and it did have Mutt and Jeff. And it did have one comic named Blondie, which I never realized, but them did a condition when I white something a long time. But Blondie didn't I Blondie, Blondie didn't I? And the Phantom.
I never love something that was she name the woman on the spinning wheel. Me never like it.
Yeah, Java didn't mention it. The woman on the spinning wheel.
Yeah, but me never like that book then. Me never like it.
Why you never like it?
Me just never like it.
Yeah, you never like that woman there on a spinning wheel, man. She for good, yeah.
No, me never like it. Me did love the Anansi.
Yeah. Anansi are the boss, man. The Anansi story them, they turn up them time there, you know.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, Maxine, you ever get one pen pal yet? You ever get one pen pal?
You know what's on the right one back in long time, but the pen pal never replied me. No, never understand. Him never understand me or what.
And he never answer you, him for go away, my wicked. Yeah, my wicked. I don't know why I never answer you. You know, so me write couple two, you know. Me write couple two, then they write, but me never take me follow up. You know, me write one in the Philippines. Me write one pen pal in the Philippines, you know. But and she write back, but me never really follow up with her and thing, you know.
Me did write one in England.
Well, I just say you gone though.
England me did come on.
England you go for your pen pal thing, though. See it there. See it there. Yeah.
And me make me tell you something about it sleep me Raga. Something about the long time be something, but it not sleep me. Oh, you see, when me did have my son, like him a little pick me and so, and when his father cut, like his father go dance and them something there before him come in, him stay out a door a little bit. Him breeze off a little bit outside. And then me see Kia pushing my door and him a coming back way.
And so when you say, why him did I do? Why him did I do that?
Him just saying I want no evil spirit for come in with him.
Oh, so I'm always wait a little bit.
Time in clutch outside little bit.
Okay. So when he wait a little bit outside, what that do like? If him no walk, if him no walk straight, come in, but him sit down now, the Duppy me say, well, you obviously not, you stop and not going away, so make me leave, so that the Duppy me go out before and go inside.
See him here, so
see him, yeah, you can't. Don't go in right away. Right. Then walk back way and come in and think, okay. Yeah, be careful, you know.
And them say, if you have a man who are dead, because member saying no red panty now stop Duppy nowadays or nothing. Them say all you have to do is buy new panty while never take off of you.
No. The red panty, that red panty still work.
You not believe in that?
No, we're having fun though. So the red panty, me never hear so the red panty stop work. At far as me know the red panty still work. I must wear the red panty for 9 days. The woman have to wear the red panty for 9 days. And it not have to be the same panty as long as she have on red. But it must be for 9 nights, and she have to make sure when she sleep she have on the red panty, because she go to bed without the red panty when in dead. But even after I'm buried, if him buried before the 9 days, she still have to wear the red panty for 9 days. That's why you hear 9th night, because the understanding is when the person dead, them are gonna raise the 3rd day, and then them are spend 6 more days, and then you have to change up your house and confuse them and make all kind of things on them and this and that, so that them leave, them travel on the 9th night. So if you don't do what you need to do when them dead out within that 6 days, there, dog name your supper. So what I know is when the person dead, the woman She can't wait till the third night, you know. But she have to make sure so from the third night to the ninth night, be a red dress she sleeping, because anyway she don't do it, the Duppy going come and send it up on her and them sitting there, and then all kind of problem I gonna reach her. So you are saying, you here say the red panty no work, I just new panty, we turn them in an idiot because they never take
off. New panty one never take off for you yet.
Okay, all right,
and
yeah.
Raga, me no feel say the hang up this and hang up that, because more time you run where your ancestor them, you know.
What you refer to?
Like hang up tape measure your doorway, and some people say you can put sea salt, like sprinkle sea salt in your house and then something there.
Yeah.
Sometimes your ancestor them you run away.
Okay, so you know what, run with who dead there protect you though. Your ancestor them who dead there.
No, man. Can't give you good dream and then something that make you win lotto. You know, so my son give me dream already.
Really?
And he come to me. God no, Raga. Like me there somewhere. And he go lean up and set his foot so. You know how man lean up and put them foot so.
Me not see you, Alien. Me not see you here. Me not see you, but me know what you refer to. No, but you tell me, say, Anderson like me, I see you. No, so me know what you talk about. When they lean back on the wall and bend one foot and put up on the Jamaican man, them do. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Right. And when me look at 14, me see one big 14 on the wall.
Yeah.
And me sleep, and me jump out, and me sleep, and me go back go sleep, Raga. And you know
I ain't go by
come back.
And come back and what?
And come back again, because I know me I go forget. So I come back again. Choo.
And when they remind you about the 14?
Yes.
Oh, I'm reminding you that time that when he come back, I'm reminding you about the 14 when he come back. Oh.
When him come back, like I show me. You see the morning when me wake up, Raga, not him beard, me run go up a Red Hills. When me reach up a Red Hills Square, nowhere no open.
Bomba.
Me say me happy by the 14.
Yeah.
And me buy it and it clear.
And the 14 win?
Right for my birthday, like tomorrow my birthday, the boy can my birthday present come give me.
Oh God, you know, your son, you know, who passed away, bring your birthday present, come give in the form of a number for your cash pot, right?
And when I reach already, Robin, no we're not open but the police station. They must have wonder what me I do already so early.
Earlier, you just wait till I want me to buy the number, don't?
Yeah.
And win the 14, don't?
Win the 14, the 1 o'clock it play a 6 draw. And me buy the 14 for the 6 draw. And at 1 o'clock it play.
Okay. Somebody have a show play near you, yeah, and we are here. Tell them to move with it, yeah?
Turn off that.
Tell them I idiot that thing. Tell them to move one side with it.
I do want DT. Load him up in me and DT. Load him up, Raga.
Yo, DT, you play the show in my background. DT, oh, you for do that, dog. You play the show in our background where you know we are talking to alien live. DT, I go low, you know. Mind yourself.
Anyway, Raga, just go and big up your TamFam and then you know, big up yourself.
You know, say a word, man. You know, Raga love you, you know, alien. Big up yourself.
Them on the front. Me love you more.
Well, alien, what you just say a while ago?
Me say me love you more.
No, me hear that. What you said before that?
Me no remember what me say.
No, you said big up a man them on the front.
Oh, on the front, the shop front.
Oh, the shop front. Okay, all right.
Not my front, not my front.
Okay, now you're front. But think it's a big the man them on my front, you know. So I say, isn't that the man them on your front? That way you know, say, Elaine, you're proud of it. You're proud of it. Yes, so much man can up on your front and thing. I say, big up the man them on my front and thing. But I shop front theater, but big up yourself.
Yeah, the shop front. Me just say the front.
Yeah.
Talk to my sister-in-law today.
That's who? Dr. Mac?
Yes, you should ask.
All right, that's our word, man. All right,
Yeah,
blessings.
man. Blessing to all of the TamFam of them.
Mad, okay? All right, bless up, man. Cool. My people don't know that show you're going, you know, the show reflect life. I'm telling you, you know. So you have days when the show not go good. That is life. You have good days and bad days. And as me always telling you, say, good can't do without bad, you know. Good can't do without bad. And bad can't do without good. It's what they need in one another. It's just one of the ironies of life. You know, we better appreciate good when we know what is bad, right? Now, for you to know when somebody treats you good, because you know you did have experience when somebody treats you bad. If you only have good treatment but never experience bad, then you end up take good treatment for granted, you know, because you never really get bad treatment. And as Raga always I say, night need day and day need night. If night never exists, day wouldn't even have a name because there wouldn't be any need to give day a name. If day never exists, night wouldn't have a name because there wouldn't be any need to give night a name to differentiate it from day. And so it is that in the irony of life, you may hear something, you know, and be like, why so and so and so and so and so. But it's the negative that allows us to appreciate the positive, you know. And so it is that when we do a show like this, I understand that and think sometimes some of you can be a tad bit impatient when you experience some of the shows that are not exactly as energetic and fun as before. I just want things to stay upon one plateau and just be continuously pleasurable. But the world no works. There's nobody out there you see in a successful relationship or anything successful where it was good right through. Most people only notice them when it's good. Most people don't notice people when them people are go through them rough time. Most people notice people in a good relationship and say, I want to be like them and whatever. And I know, say, being like them people who you want to be like, it wasn't always easy. And then probably I'll go through them rough time at the time when you say you want to be like them. Right? Sometimes you observe some things and you think it look good and whatever, but it is not as good as it. For years, me and people say, boy, I want a relationship like Will and Jada. Only for years, what did I go on all this time between Will and Jada? There's a lot of challenges and things. So there's two human beings trying to figure out this game called life, you know? I'm saying all this to say that for the last several days, the show has been quite nice, you know. So we could give thanks for it, you know. Because, you know, we have had days when, you know, the show kind of on the flatter side. And we're going to have some more times when the show not going to be too wonderful either. And things. So, you know, in the last several days, the show nice. And when the show nice, me feel good because I love doing this. I love this, you know. So I just want... You know, I'm really into being thankful for the simple things, you know. Today, I talked to two friends on the phone and they told me and them attack and whatever. And, you know, when we come off my phone, you know, I just feel good and I say, you know, I look a three-way call. You know, when I talk to one, and we say, we could bring in so and so, we bring the other person and we attack. And we come off my phone, I say, boy, I have to just be thankful for good people in my life, you know. You know, people, you can feel them goodness and thing and whatever. And I want to urge you all to do the same, you know. I guarantee you, many of you have a lot of seemingly small things or stuff that might be, you know, seemingly insignificant that you may, you know, not you know, intentionally so, but you might not be ascribing as much, well, any or as much gratitude to it as, you know, you probably should. But I want to urge you to just consciously and intentionally and deliberately just identify some good people in your life and just give thanks to them. If you want to call them and tell them thanks to, or some simple little things where, you know, if you can open your fridge and something there for you eat all the while and thing, give thanks to that, no? Whole heap of people that them not dead so. No for no dead so right now. It wasn't always the case, you know? And then at the same time, me and a brethren a reason about something to one thing, and me I tell him, you know, he must say, he's originally from Jamaica, you know, in my age group, see? And he must say, boy, no cure hard him work, him can't make no headway. And he must say, boy, rough in the country and whatever, this and that, and a be a struggle, he must struggle, and he must say, for years now, I can't even make no headway and thing, and I'm there listening, I'm listening. I mean, know him background, you know, him know my background, I know him background, and I say, when I know him deliver Anatown for a while, Anatown depend, you know, Anik Garden, jungle side and them, so. So I say, when you did that Anatown and thing, where you did live? And they must, but you know where they live? And I say, where you did live? You know, I say, boom, boom, boom. So I say, where you used to eat your dinner? I say, where you, I say, me know where you used to eat your dinner? Where you, him say, yeah, upon the tree stump out on the road. Yeah, I say, why they come outside and you sit up on the tree stump out on the road? Yeah. I say, why you used to eat your dinner, you know? I must say, you don't know them look a plastic kind of, it's like a bowl, but you know, we grew up with them and thing and them. And him and I, back in the day in Jamaica, you did have this mesh thing where then cover food with pan with table. This was a thing, you know? You don't know what I talk, you have a mesh thing, like if your food share, you cover your food with that. It was just this thing in Jamaica, all over Jamaica, but it was like a mesh thing. So he and I talk, I'm saying, remember me I reasonable when your food share and the mesh thing, and he say, yeah. And I say, I use a mesh thing there now. And he must say, no. I say, you sit down outside and eat your food pan tree stump now. And he must say, no. I say, you still have wear butter crepe? No. How much shoes you have? Yeah, man, whole heap of shoes, yeah. How much shirt you have? Me have whole heap of shirt. Me say, I bet you say you have whole heap of clothes where you don't wear. Yeah. Cause me did I tell him, so when we did at Jamaica, my helper did always I tell me, say, why you have so much clothes and you don't wear them, right? Every time I come here for wash, I the same clothes, I wash, right? So me and him did all the talk, I mention it and whatever and thing. So I start going all and them look something there and thing and whatever. And I say, you know, I say you kind of slip down in that thing there were enough people going away. When them get blessings and increase, them change them lifestyle to adapt to the blessing. And every time them do that, them want more. If you understand what I say, you know, there is this famous thing about this man in the past who did get one, I forgot what his name, him did get one robe. One nice robe. And when him get this nice robe from some royalty or something, him start look around in place and he must say, but when me have now go with a robe here, so me need to get so and so to go with the robe. So him go change in table and him change this and him change that and him keep on in other trap the way. No care what him have, there was something else you get and whatever. So no care what him have, him never really thankful for what him have. Him just feel like, say, me nah reach what I want. But what really happening, you know, him adapt, you know. Right? Many of we would do that something there, you know. You have 5, 6, 7, 8 shoes, but you focus on the other shoes where you really want to buy and can't buy. And you say, boy, hard life and thing like that and thing and whatever. And I can't get for do what I want to do and whatever. By the time you have 8 shows, you, the same person who used to Change the heel on your shoes a shoemaker. And you forget that, don't you? The same person. When the bottom a come off, you carry go shoemaker and then make them put it up and put tackle bottom and thing, and you forget that, don't you? The same person who did have one little shoes where you call your judging shoes and one shoes where you have your going on shoes where you can whatever. And now you have 3, 4, 5 shoes, all shoes where you hardly wear, and you forget that, don't I wanna complain about how life hard and all them something there and thing. When you have so much to be thankful for. Nothing wrong if you have ambition and a grow, you know. Yeah, you have ambition and grow, laugh, learn and grow, me say. But at every stage of your life, when you have things you have to be thankful for. And you see when you're thankful for what you have, there's a strange thing that happen, you know. I don't know if this makes sense, but you see if you're continually thankful for what you have, in a strange way, it facilitates increased blessings to come at you in a way. You know, if you pursue that in a context where you feel like you're unsatisfied all the time, and you're not in the head we are firing and all them something or whatever. Right? All I want to who are watch and listen right you now, who have a whole heap of little things I'm going to be thankful for. No found who go through some abuse and all them something there and whatever this and that, and have picnic when I go through them something. They want to be thankful for that and give thanks, man. No found an outside toilet to no depend and whatever, and sit down good. Also, man have heated toilet now and whatever. Don't forget them sitting there, yeah. Me you know what I'm thankful for? The soft toilet paper them. Every time I go out, so me glad for them soft toilet paper there, you know. Yeah. My bottom appreciate them soft toilet paper there. My bottom appreciate. You see that beard upon the toilet paper, the charming beer and all them something there, whatever. Me love, I'm thankful for them toilet paper there, you know, because let me tell you something. Meanwhile, when my mother used to work, I clean and save the newspaper them and thing, and we have to go toilet, and you have to wet the newspaper them for wipe your bottom and thing. And then when we are being my mother, we have to tell me, say, make sure say you wash, you know, you want the good enough because the newspaper with the ink would dip on your bottom and all that stuff. I know about that something there. No fun to go through that too. Yeah, don't. Right? When me sleep on bed at night time, me feel good enough. Kaya mattress me grew up on, you know. Kaya mattress me grew up on, and the Kaya will bust through the rope, go through the mattress and thing and whatever, and you have to bend back a Kaya thing and push it in because it juke you at night time, and sometimes then come up and whatever and thing. And then when we go to boom my elevator to a spring mattress and thing, you have to keep your mattress forever, man. And when you're on spring mattress, at some point the spring bust through, you know. And if you have strong enough to bend it and juke it, go down and whatever, you know. But sometimes you don't have strong enough and you have to know what the juke there, you have to sleep and bend around the juke, you know. Who know about that something there? You know, give thanks, man. No found have some simple things we want to be thankful for, man. So I want to know to get caught up in that, you know, yeah, I want to grow, yeah, and build, yeah, and rise, yeah. But at every stage, you have a lot to give thanks for. So I want to give thanks for it. You have enough things to give thanks for. Enough things to give thanks for. Enough things. Some simple look at something, you can go and look at a restaurant, you know. It might not be a hype restaurant, you know. I like Olive Garden and thing. I don't know a big restaurant that time, whatever. But me, when I grew up, uptown people go restaurant, up on TV, you see people go restaurant. I never know one fat boy restaurant. So it's when me go Olive Garden, whatever this and that. Me give thanks to them, see me there, you know. Because I never know their life there. When I say never know, I mean never know. Some simple little things. No phone on can drive one look a car and whatever. Meanwhile, most sound who are listening to me right now in my age group and thing. And I never grew up, and I never drive in a car when I grew up. A bus we take, right? A robot. We never have no car in our yard and whatever this and that. You understand what I say? No phone to wear shoes. We say your shoes are big bread. And we run it, right? We did that one little crepe and thing and whatever, and we have to have, you know, we have to have whitening for whitening crepe and thing, and we have to nurse, we look at thing and go up, and no phone have so much more right now until we want to, yeah, man, just be thankful for one to have, man. No phone have enough things to be thankful for right now. You might have overlooked them because them look simple and just like standard and so forth and thing like that. But yeah. The phone have a bathroom for yourself. Sounds simple, though. But no phone never raised with a bathroom, a tenement yard, you know, whatever, or you don't have to be outside, you know, with sitting a bucket or whatever, or the pipe did outside, and you have to, woman, you have to keep on the underwear, because somebody at the running and a peep and this and that and whatever, this and that. No, bro, give thanks to the look of privacy we have right now, though. I can't have no one look at space and all them things and whatever. Right? Now found on can get a money and a petty. Now found in my age group, woman who never have money and petty when I grew up. Never. You never know about them something there. And thing and whatever. And them probably I get up and I complain and I cuss all this about the world and all them something there, whatever, this and that when you have a whole heap of little things when you can give thanks. You understand? Be thankful. And at the same time, I want to appreciate the people them around, you know, because particularly at them time, you know, with the intense contestation that is out there on so many levels and bad mind and all and sitting there and all and whatever this and that. So you see, if you have some people right you know them have hold it with you and thing and them have your back on them, they give thanks to them people, man, and tell them, man. Tell them at that thing at an appropriate time. So, you know, say, my day I will look at meds and I reflect and thing. I just look back for how you did it for me and all them something. I just want to thank you, you know. I just, you know, I just want to reach a point where I can do it for you. Yeah, man, if you do them something there, man. Do them something there. And it's when you have that gratitude there, honestly, you see, people who are grateful and appreciate and are thankful for the simple things in their life. I swear to you, I swear 100%, people who genuinely stay so, they glow different. Yeah, you know, this kind of deeper when I say right now, but they you give off like an energy, you know, and it make you feel better. Yeah, man, when you're grateful for the simple things, the simple but important things in your life, genuinely, you're not put on, you genuinely, it make you feel better. And yeah, I'm telling you something, you know, I'm going to prove this all the while. Listen to me careful right now. The best thing, one of the best things you can do for yourself is this. You see, when you're grateful for some simple, look, the many simple things in your life and whatever, I want to listen me carefully now because this can kind of slip in if you're not following me. You see, when you recognize, you identify, consciously, intentionally recognize, and I say, boy, I give thanks to my glasses right now, you know, and I'm thankful for some little something, and I'm thankful for that little thermos where my friend them give me, I can drink my little coffee and whatever it is, you know, boy, you know, many of us will say give thanks. But you see, when you're in that zone there, it protects you from attacks, intentional attacks on you, or indirect attacks on you, or it gives you a perspective of perceived hardships out there where you manage them better and they don't impact you negatively as much, right? Let me give you an example. Like me always say, right? You have the theory, let me give you the practical. If you're thankful for what you should be thankful for, which is a lot of things, little things in your life and all them something, somebody will come to you and all class you up somewhere or whatever, this and that, and you look upon them and you be like, okay. I mean, you can say what you want, sir. And you don't feel no need for argue with them or war them. You don't get upset with them or this and that. And that. Because in a year space, you'll be like, you know what? I am just really blessed right now and thankful for a whole bunch of things in my life right now. That I don't even need that. I don't even need to pay attention to that negative. Okay, fine. You're protected. But you see, if you don't have that gratitude internalized in a year and whatever, then you're like a vacuum. You're like an empty space. that when you're attacked, now you feel like you have to defend yourself and fight battles where you don't need for fight and whatever because you don't know your center. You don't know whatever. But you see, when you're rooted in your thing and you know where you come from because you pay attention to where you come from and you remind yourself about where you come from continually and things, so you know, so you're firm in your center and thing, you find so when some look at idiot thing come at you, some things where you don't make a big deal about before. You don't even make it a big deal and then because them things they look small to you because you listen, yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, fine, whatever. Because you just, in your gratitude space, in your grateful space and thing like that, like that person have no idea what they're saying and thing and whatever. Listen to me, I'm just glad I can go up and go beard and put on and beard with one body wash where I like and sit because when you have body wash when you grew up and smell good and you can work somewhere whatever and you beard with one soap first and then you put and after that you swap up again with the body wash make you smell good and when you come up you can take off your clean towel because you never grew in a clean towel. You did have to dry off with your beard and a rag and now you have your clean towel where you can pat yourself and thing and don't rub the towel because them say don't rub the towel, you know. You must just pat yourself and whatever and when you're done, you take up your good lotion and you know, that's simple look at something they done, right? Enough of we, at most we did have Vaseline intensive care lotion and thing and if you think did hype and whatever, you could have go up to a look at Georgians, right? Somehow we never have that and thing and whatever because you know say you come from a thing where you beard and put one heap of powder upon your neck. You understand and you don't have to do that anymore and thing, you think balance and when you're just thankful so somebody can go and run up the mountain and thing like that and yeah, hardship out there and thing, but you know I'm not going to focus on them hardship there, you know, right? At the expense of ignoring what I should be grateful for. So if you get up and you just afford, I'm telling you all the while, whatever you water, that going to grow. Whatever you water, that going to grow. Whatever you water, that going to dominate your mind. Dominate your attitude, your spirit, your countenance, right? So if you are focused on the negative and you think so you want this and you can't get this and a person need to give this and this you go there and you create your own little misery and I blame the rest of the world and thing when you should be happy for enough of the blessings them where you have right there so in front of you because you are come from somewhere where you never have them the blessing, then you have them in a you have them bountiful around you now. You have them in abundance around you now. And you not be grateful for them. Not knowing that if you're grateful for them continually and whatever, that circle your spirit to. That make you feel good so you grow. You know, that give you the countenance there and protect you. Like, you know, so the thing they rough out there and thing, you know, but I still have a lot to be thankful for. So I just go out and be a little and thing and it now go get to me that way. So that me I'm telling you, know, it's when you're grateful, it protect you. You're less like if you stress out about some crazy thing out there, you know, and you can approach them with confidence and whatever. Say, even though I'm going to solve that problem, you know, and I work towards a goal, you know, I always have a whole heap of things to be thankful for, protected. It worked for me. I can't tell on that. You understand? I'm going to find some people, everybody have a problem, you know, like you're rich or whatever, you know, everybody have a problem. Everybody have a problem. Elon Musk are the richest man in the world and whatever. His relationships are awful. awful. Everybody have problem. And everybody have a whole bunch of things to be thankful for. And when you're thankful for even the simplest things in your life, simple but valuable things in your life, you're not only being thankful for them, but they're protecting you. When you're grateful people are truly grateful. That gratitude, that feeling and expressing that gratitude protects you. It's a good thing. It's good for you too. It's good to be grateful. It helps settle your mind and protect you from some of the crazy distractions and foolishness and pressures that are out there. Because if you're not grateful, you know, you're always a look and a blame. You're always dissatisfied and a look and a blame for this and that and thing. And people who are not grateful, them in a misery. You never see some people who don't do good for. Who don't do good for them. And then something happen and them turn around and cuss your dog rotten or them talk some things about you and you can't understand it. Like, it's almost like them forget everything what you did do for them and whatever. Them miserable. And them a throw them crosses by you. Them a blame you just like how them a blame the world. Or them in some entitlement zone where you're supposed to always be there for them and whatever, thing like that. Them not grateful. Which is different from the people them who you're dead for, and then, you know, them reach out to you and you say, you know, so me not dead this right now and thing and whatever, this and that. And if that person say, oh, for real? John, what I could I do for help you? Because, boy, you did that. Me know me I reach out to you, know, but you always did for me, you know, and, you know, you got your little thing right and now. So, is there anything I could I do or whatever? And, you know, because you always did for me, so if you don't have it now, I understand, you know? A good somebody, them there. Them there somebody, a good somebody. Them there somebody, a good somebody. Them people, if you keep running. You see the one them who you dead for all the while, and just when you not have it, them start class you up on this and that, and I could have your blood relative them, even if you not cut them off, keep them at a distance and watch when them want. Don't feel the need for war with them and stretch yourself. Understand them and adjust appropriately and accordingly with them to manage your stress and what you are taking. Don't take in them negativity and whatever. Just understand and when them there. Understand? Them not grateful. And people who not grateful, miserable. And blame everybody else for them problems and things. And them very entitled. And always I run down something where them think they not get and them never satisfy yet. And they'll project that crap onto you. So being grateful is a good thing. But not only is that a good thing, it protects you too. It center you, you know, it balance you. Yeah, man. Even more time, I'll buy a look of food. Me not be something the golden cross, you know. Me I say, boy, I go to time, should I look of food here, you know, whatever, because me never buy food from a restaurant and thing I nothing like, so, you know, that's something, you know. So I just want, just my little thing that me I share with them right now in the night, you hear? All I know, not care who I go through right now. And I care if I go through some heavy sitting on focus on some heavy stress or whatever. At the same time, you have a lot to be thankful for which you should be thankful. Now you may look around and you say, no, because which part me there right now, you know, this and that or whatever, which part you live or you probably a cut somewhere, you lose one job or sitting or one relationship mash up or you want to buy this thing or you can't buy this thing or whatever and thing, and that's how you focus them. You know? I say, you know, if it still work on where you work on, you know, but just I say, you still have a whole heap of things to be thankful for, and if you're thankful for those things, believe it or not, it will position you in a space where you're better able to cope with the stressors that surround you in your respective environs, and not only that, but allow you to put you in a mindset where you're better able to identify the steps you need to elevate from the space you're in, rather than just being total misery. When you're grateful, it's a good thing, but it also protects you, you know? It makes you feel better. And when you feel better and feel good about yourself, despite what you go through, you're better able to deal with all of the problems of the world. You can't ignore some and things and whatever, and some energy come at you. You'll be like, listen, I'm just really thankful for so much in my life. I don't have no time to pay attention to them foolishness there, to your foolishness or whatever. Make I go focus on something. I have things to work on right enough, elevate myself and things, I have to provide for my pitney them or my family or whatever the case may be. You understand what I'm saying? All right. Big up on yourself, people. Me, Zenita, big up yourself, man. Veronica, large up. Nadine large up. Diana, big up yourself over Facebook there and thing, all right? YouTube people large up. Majibu, big up. Mama V, large up. Jack, big up yourself. Jack, you know, sir, me did that. Ed, big up yourself over there in Kenya, you know. General. Jack, me did I call you today, you know. Just a check-in for you, you know. Make sure you behave yourself and make sure you're all right. You see, my brother, I don't know if you see me miss call, me da shout you today, you know. I say a long time, I check in for you, you know. Make sure so everything balance up, you know. All right. Watch your right, people. I just want to remind you that I'm here Mondays to Thursdays from around 6 after 6, anywhere between 6 and 6:30 until them time. Mondays to Thursdays, I'm here. Mondays to Thursdays. Mostly over YouTube, over Facebook. You just seen me today because I had the Facebook broadcast today. And YouTube, you know, we had the YouTube broadcast recently. But TikTok, I'm always here on TikTok. And I know a lot of you don't do TikTok or whatever. It's but to know over YouTube and Facebook, big up on yourself and thing. But for those of you here on TikTok, perhaps like the first time or so, I just want to let you know that I'm here at around 6, anywhere between 6 and 6:30. I'm here until this time. Okay? And when you're coming to watch a show, do not wait for a notification. You have to come straight to Ragashanti upon TikTok or whatever, because if you wait only upon the notification, you're not going to see it, you know? Right? You have to come straight over here, okay? Mondays to Thursdays. Mondays to Thursdays, I'm here, right here. All right? Let me see if I take a couple more before I leave. And by the way, if you're over at TikTok and you're not follow me yet, follow me now, okay? If you're not follow me yet, follow me now, all right? If you're not follow me yet, follow me now. If you're over YouTube and you're not subscribed to me yet, subscribe to the page now, all right? Let me see what I go. Let me see if any of these come up. Hello.
Hi, Raga. Good night. You just change up the mood, so.
Eh?
We are talking about Duppy, you just change up the mood. So.
No, but you sound like you're used to Raga, you know, so you know me move with the spirit, you know, so if the spirit say this now for come out now. Yeah. So that come out and, you know, who forget the message, get the message. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, so, but you can't talk about what you want to talk about, you know, we're flexible around here.
All right, Raga. We used to do with this funeral director, see?
Lord Jesus. Yeah.
From St. Mary, I'm not calling her name, Raga.
No calling her name, yeah.
So, you know, so for the money kind of up there, you know, Raga. So, I deal with him, you know, Raga. I deal with him.
Yeah.
Anyway, one night, him tell me to come check him.
You
know, so me go up there now, because I'm never afraid them time there, Raga.
Yeah.
So, I go up there now and, you know, go in the African thing in a Raga. Things start going in a Raga.
Little shellings are going in the office, right?
Yeah. You know, in a Raga. And,
yes.
You know, bend over on the table, you know, on the desk.
On the desk in the office, you bend over on the desk. Yeah.
Bend over on it, Raga.
Yeah.
And the camera system, the monitor thing, we're in front of it in a Raga.
Yeah.
And one baby and me give me a proper sort out in a Raga.
Yes.
Raga. You know, the camera have the look of motion sensor.
Yeah.
You only see the sitting start make be a nice Raga. Beep. Then when Raga.
Wait, hold on. So hold on, you been over the desk and you give my back and you must send it on there, right? So wait, this is the funeral parlor. Is this the funeral parlor?
Yes, Raga.
Okay.
The office pan it, Raga.
The office, right. So you said the camera, no, what the camera start make noise. Why the camera make
nice? Motion detector, you pick up Raga, me I look at me now, say nothing, Raga. When me listen out, the door start peak and I open, Raga. I take my time and draw up my pants and run out.
Well, so the camera outside, right?
motion.
Right?
No
And
man.
it
The
for pick up
camera
motion.
right, it there on the other part where the dead people them the raga.
So the camera basically say it a pick up motion, but when you look on it, you not see nothing. You not see nothing. So
And then it's like he never lock the door good raga and they like a breeze or something, but I only when the door I take time to open.
The door open.
Raga, I take with myself.
So what you do? You just jump off a body and drop your jaws and run?
Me jump off fight raga run out. Our friend my friend say, are you gravy? You gonna do those gonna take cock. Eh?
So when you run, what you must say when him see you draw up your panty and run? So
Him
when you
look
say,
like him frightened too, cause him I wonder what go on or make me run gone, but I when me gone and jump in the bike and call me and say, B, I what happen? I what happen? Me say, you know, see what happen?
You know, see Duppy a come in when we
I laugh him laugh after me, raga. Laugh him laugh after me. Me tell him say me not come back down there.
You tell him say you not go out down there and think no more dash out and think.
No more dash out.
But you know see how I go on.
Them look like the Duppy them did jealous, raga. Like
the Duppy them did jealous. The Duppy them did want peace too. It's a threesome. The Duppy them want come in there, come run. The Duppy want to come in there, run a threesome. A share. They want the Duppy want come run and share and think. I mean, I want you feel that way. I'm not being rude, but it look like what you have the tan good and still good and meaty and all these.
A camel toe, camel
toe. So don't they fat and nice, no. Fat. They know that the Duppy see that and the Duppy want some of that man. I want to come think them brighty. Let them tell you, hey man. No, that the Duppy see the Duppy did want to jump up in that. The Duppy did want to come push him and take some of the thing and thing. You do the right thing and thing them out there. So some of them Duppy are bright. You take for yourself and think.
No, say you not easy, you gonna dead house, gonna take off.
Gonna take body a dead house and thing, but you not easy. And thing you know you're afraid of Duppy. But no, but you the money they turn up down.
Money nice, money nice.
The money nice, man, yeah. You see
you know, that. So them funeral man they too, raga, you know, so them have to rub up and have up them gear and then something they too, you know.
What you know, what you mean?
Him have to guard up. Him did have to guard up himself, raga.
So we know about guarding and thing. We know about gathering and all kind. But how him guard up?
I don't really know what him used to tell me. Say him go certain place go get him look a thing.
Get him look at. But him not tell you how it do.
No, him never tell me.
Him just make you know, say, when him work at dead yard, him have to go certain people get look a covering and protection. Go talk to some people and do some people and
things. Dead body.
And forget, So even so after that, when you and him do so, you did even fret for saying I bring it up, even do it.
Night time, night time him start smell like down there, so I have to let him.
Don't they have a particular smell, you know? Them use certain things and whatever, and overall it have a scent. It have a don't they have a scent? So if it start smell like it, it Duppy, it don't dead out smell and things. So yeah, say you know want that in you, I jump up in you.
And then they start telling me about him holy pa, charm, geared up. I mean, it's a God-fearing woman. So.
Okay, so yeah, so boy, I have to leave that something.
And then always say when you seek certain people, them demons come up on him.
Then demons, yeah, well, Jamaicans believe in that, you know. Them believe in that. They can't hear that. Better for you or against you based on them energy and them vibes and things and whatever.
Yes, brother.
So you have to take time move from that, though.
Yeah, take time and move. It didn't hurt still because the money is nice, you know.
The money is nice. And listen to me, I know the money is nice, but it never worth a Duppy threesome. It never worked a Duppy threesome because John, when I listen to him, no one a Duppy, they go on it to you and I send it up on you and I cock you up certain way and then it wouldn't nice at all. It wouldn't nice at all. It wouldn't
And
nice. It
come
wouldn't
give
nice.
me spank, my body big in a raga.
Your body big and I'll go spank you and thing.
Don't give me
You
a
know,
spank.
you know the Jamaican them, you don't know why, you know, but Jamaican things say all Duppy talk up in them nose. Go see him right. I might get the thing fucking, you know. The Duppy the back of you. I'm sending them and I say, my God, my John, when I don't the fat in them, I tell you, I'm sending them. Sing
Yes, sir.
No Duppy threesome around here. We're not feature that. No, we're not feature that. No. And you turn over the thing right, you know. No, man, I right,
Mix up. In front of the decks, I always see the monitor start show up one part of the camera. Beep, motion detector.
And now see nothing in the camera. And then after that, the door a creak open and thing. Yeah, Duppy a try screech come in and thing.
Help him, so me
Come
take care
help him.
myself.
Neko, yeah, and thing and whatever. I can better look a freaky Duppy too, you know. And go do something and thing. Next thing you know, you go and give Duppy headers and all them sitting there. You tell them outside. I say some of them Duppy are staying and too enough. All right, let's say I word it. I want the shells.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. Respect, man. Cool. John, when I want the bad. You can't. Okay. Yeah, you know, it's because basically, I said, what should they, you know, because I'm in the office, you know, and them have them camera around the place. So the camera can see which part, whatever. So the alarm go off, say, motion detector, the camera pick up something and move out there. But she has see all of the TV, them, you know, where the camera them are show. But she not see nobody. And them time the boss, she has seen on the things, see me, you know, but she have watch, you know, she have face the TV, them, and she has see. But she has said the motion detector going, but me not see it pick up nothing. And then dead and whatever, you know, and then after that, all she could have hear at the door where them there were, come here, my girl, say, I'm gonna jump up off of that and drop her drawers and Lego, take care of herself. Me don't wrong her. The Duppy too out tired. Some of them Duppy and them enough and bright, man, I want to come prims up, right? Like we were saying at Jamaica, come exalt themselves and enough up themselves in a way them not feel. That's why I'm telling you, enough to do for send them along. Yeah? That's why Jamaicans have all these things they have to do for send them along, make them go where them supposed to go. Because if you don't send them along, they will tarry. And when they tarry, they want enough of themselves, you know? And things in them entitled with certain activities and certain access. You understand? That them not supposed to get to with them bright self. Yeah, we have to keep some of them Duppy in check, man. Some of them Duppy in check, right? Don't get comfortable with them. Listen. We don't have the luck where Marcia Goodas have. Marcia Goodas, she can hang out with them and have fun with them. We don't know what else she do with them and think that is not our business. But we and Marcia Goodas, we're not in the same position. She have some kind of protection from them and whatever. Puss and dog now have the same luck. Oh. But I believe so you can go out with them and go dance with them like how Master Goodas go dance with them down in Atlanta there and all these things. And when she bake gizzard and drops and greater cake for them sit down and them drink and all these things with the black cake what she make for them and all them something. The fear thing different. Fear thing different. Don't run in. Don't run in. What she can do, Una can do, we can do. Humble on herself and send on the Duppy them, make them go with them, no for go and whatever, and nobody to frolic with them and get too comfortable with them and things. It's not a good idea. I'm just saying. You know, so me love no fufu like me when it comes to humor, you know, me love no yeah. You know, me love entertain, you know. Me love make people laugh. Me like it because, you know, me enjoy it too and it relax me too and me laugh too and thing, you know. And You see, somebody like Sheena, when she call, she know she can call a ragga and talk them something there and joke them way there. You understand what I'm saying? I think I'm going to give thanks to that, you know? Give thanks to that straight. But people never go Lego, you know? Me see where I go, you know? Yeah. Hello?
Hello?
Where I go on?
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Good night, Reggae.
Good night. Where you at?
I'm a baby father. TikTok me the pan.
Okay.
Anyways, me have here one joke from my father tell me one day no.
You can
One day no.
you can move her. You have a whole heap of nice room. You can move her from it a little bit.
Hold on. It's correct. Yeah, you hear me now?
Yeah, me I hear. Me just don't want to hear the nice too, yeah?
Right.
You have me playing in the background for something loud here.
Me I try to take care of the boombox, the whole on there.
You have me on the boombox, no?
Yeah, you hear me now?
Yeah, man, I hear you. We just don't want to hear the other nice too. Yeah. But we're not hearing it now, so go and talk. Yeah.
One night, you know, my father said one night, you know, one lady come out her yard and she say every night Duppy I walk on her house stop. Every night, you know. So when the breeze blow, it brush pan, you understand? She said Duppy I walk on the house stop every night. So them plan for her now, tie up them head with turban and light up candle and you know and say, me know one good over man can't stop it up if I walk. And him say, alright, carry me there. But the man say, alright, then you have to go come early.
1 second. People, wait 1 second. People, what you see happening on TikTok, it's TikTok, it's not me. Right? Because it happen upon I have a screen to monitor it, and I'm seeing the limitations that you are seeing. So there's something going on with TikTok. It's not me, okay? Everything else in me, I work fine over here. TikTok, I get problem. Okay, go on, talk, darling. Okay.
Yeah, so them set up, you know? And the lady go there, and them tell her to pay $50,000. She said, no problem, money no problem, and she pay the money. But then, say I hold it for money, you know? $50,000 could have buy one nice, decent house, you know? And she pay the money. And when she pay the money, man say, see tomorrow night, no matter where you are going out the door, don't come out. Just stay in, no matter what, just don't come out. Lady say, alright. And you know, say them get one young boy we can climb. And the young boy climb the old stop and chop off the limb of the coconut tree where I brush pan the old stop and carry it, go dash it far. So the woman go back to them and say, I sleep peaceful last night, man. But me did hear look sound in the first time, but I sleep peaceful, I sleep like a baby.
Yeah.
And she start, the man them say, yeah man, you have to go give him more money, you know, because me said the Duppy put up a fight.
Yeah.
So the woman that I went time, them a chop the limb.
Yeah.
So them a tell her, say, the Duppy put up a fight, so she have to go give more money.
And she send her more money, though.
And she give them more money because she say, he's a good Obia man.
A good Obia man. Good Obia man. And think, cause he get rid of the Duppy from her for all stop and thing. And poor she know the limb from the coconut tree where with the wet name that they are making nice for her all stop the whole time, though.
Right. So them trick her. She get tricked. I don't know.
I don't know. Lord Jesus. Respect and blessings to that one, man. Big up yourself, you know. All right. Where you calling from? Where you call from?
Duany Park.
Duany Park, big up, you know. Look a place there, Duany Park, you know. Me used to regular over there, you know. Me used to regular over Duany Park, you know.
Yeah, man. All right. To be exact.
Eh?
I said New Haven to be exact.
Oh, New Haven side, auntie. But you know, say some people them no refer to New Haven as Duany Park, them refer to New Haven by itself.
Okay.
Yeah, some people do that. All right, bless up here.
Yeah, man.
Respect, cool. All right, for those I don't know who never hear what I go on and thing because TikTok, but by the way, the TikTok, it was not me. Cause me, I have a screen where me monitor what TikTok I do on, different from when me a broadcast, man, and thing. And the YouTube people, them good, the Facebook people, them good. It was just TikTok. So it's not me. It's not me. But me go on the mix up, or she tell it. So this woman I live somewhere and thing and whatever, but you have one tree, one coconut tree where the way it position, it depend on our house top, right? So when the breeze them blow and thing, it a white name there, it a night time. And me can't, people who never notice, say, when I would there warm with somebody, I want a yard, I want no good. But then when I there warm alone, on a thing couldn't start hear some sound on I never hear before when I there warm alone. And a sound on I hear before, you know, them sound that they did, you know. But you on there warm alone, no, on a conscious sound that they warm alone. And look at fear dead. Sound with it always dead, you know. When I hear them now in a whole different context of the fear when I have counted them home alone now, you know. So now I hear some sound and I say, but no somebody that or whatever. But them sound that it always dead, you know. So nothing about she, the sound them dead all the daytime, but not paying them no mind. But when she asleep at night time, she hear the sound them off her limb and whatever now. So the man then say, then see what go on and say them want to take her food off her. And then just up in all kind of thing and wrap up on this and that and then tell her, say, you know, because she says she can't sleep at night time because the Duppy them terrorize her upon the house top and thing. So the man them say, all right, here we go and them do them look a costume thing and say, you have to give her 50 pack and we're going to get rid of that Duppy I feel. And thing and whatever. And she give them the 50 pack or whatever. And then get one look at youth for climb up and for chop off a limb. But when he did a chop off a limb, he have to do a chop for a while. So look at this and that I go on and him finally get for chop off a limb and thing and whatever. And bring it down and whatever. So the next day, you know, she tell him, so Jesus, God, when I do it work, you know, me sleep like a baby last night, me sleep good. You know, the first half, me did I want to look nice, you know, I want to look beating nice or whatever, you know, but after that, me sleep good because whatever. And them say, but yeah, we'll give you a look extra, you know, because the Duppy did real up on me when we get rid of him, you know. The Duppy did real up on me and we have to do so to get rid of the Duppy and whatever. And she said, yeah, because I really hear a look of commotion in the early part and think that time look a boy a chop off a limb and the youth with them putting out them for chop off a limb and whatever. And I saw them take a look of food and then she said, a good way, man, because if I'm going to do that something, them in a year, them from my own stop again. Belief kills and belief cure. All right, people, that's it for tonight. Who wants enough respect to it and thank everybody for a nice little show in 990 and thing. And again, do remember that I'm here on Mondays to Thursdays from anywhere between 6 and 6:30. Sometimes I start on time, sometimes I start 6:15, sometimes I start 6:30, depending on what's going on in my day and thing, all right? And then we usually juggle to around them time, yeah, and thing, Mondays to Thursdays. But again, you know, when you come on, you know, particularly on TikTok and thing, you have to come straight over to my page and don't wait for a notification, right? If you ever watch my YouTube, you have to come straight over to TamFam TV over YouTube. That is where the live is, TamFam TV and thing. And there are times when I'll be doing the live also on Facebook, right? Denise Burrell, no, usually me not up on Facebook, you know, but I bring it up in the broadcast tonight, but I'm really going across on 3 platforms. Do remember anybody who interested in the Jamaica trip this year, the TamFam Jamaica trip, you're juggling with Ragashanti to Jamaica for 9 days and 9 nights, 9 nights and 9 days and thing. We'll leave on Saturday, the 25th of July until Monday, August 3rd and thing, and it's a TamFam, the Jamaica Culturecation. You can check it out at tamfamtravel.com, tamfamtravel.com, and if you're interested, send me a text at 516-500-0210, 516-500-0210, 516-500-0210, 516-500-0210. Send me a text. Do have a wonderful night, people. Take care of you and yours. Be blessed always. Remember, big up TamFam, big up Jamaica, big up the Caribbean, big up Grenada, big up Sonia Country, you know, big up Sonia Country, you know, and big up on yourself. Yeah, remember, you can't love love another until you first truly learn to love yourself. You know, when you have that love inside of you and enough for it dead and thing, you know, you can put it out there. Not love yourself in a selfish and self-absorbed way, but love yourself in a way where you value who you are, including your identity. And that might mean a Jamaican, you know, with a African heritage and thing and the corresponding elements that come with that. Be proud of who you are. You know, when you feel good about yourself and you value yourself, you're better able to value others, okay? And appreciate and recognize that which is good for you, can align with you in a positive way and think. Bless upon yourself, you know, respect and honor, you know. We used to mix up straight, right? Laugh, learn, and grow. Everything is everything. One TamFam, all right? Out the road. Straight blessings. Cool. Man. Nadine Lyons, enjoy the show. Big up yourself, man. Blessings, man. Good night, Marcia. Evoking large up, big up blessings. All right, Kalia. Do your thing. Cheryl, large up. Respect Big Beer, large up. No, nothing tomorrow night, spiritually best. Nothing tomorrow night. Zion has his spring break and he's coming up, you know, from Florida to spend a week with me. And I have to get him from the airport. You know that is priority, right? All right, blessings. All right, Carolee, big up. Ellie, boom. Yep, tomorrow is Friday the 13th.